mirika koto tata ne tete wa wosi afiri tete bakoi awa judi wa kono Kofi se wo ko ba bia ma de nchi wani mu o na bia no na nka ne bi da kwam anopa bosu agugu no so ama ne trimu aye ne nya ebia na de hia wotuja etiketu aso da ye kese odoto kese a wase wanwunu abodwese na yamfam fimfim hunahuna wo de omanfo kukuru ye a wantumi no wotimi kukuru ye nanso e ba se ye kukuru wa nkasa no yantumi ya nti ye de kroyi mu nsam hye wa no sakata ye ne wakama akoma toye mu ne yese de onimu to no ono ne ye de gina toro no anu o ye nti ye ne ye de Ghana akoma nyina hye wo nsa Kofi kura ne se kosua dandan ne sabofra kuma ne kusa ne sabode a ye de atoja so se Ghana akoma bo a wunti ye bete watena se dia me yente dia koso wo Ghana akoma mu Kofi kasa
Infantry just say freedom is coming. Amamunyina anchem amwakwa ba high akoma 87.9 FM safei and adu afide na to ha. Mame mu ache na memisasa wo hote sen. Me di de Aduanaba Kofi Asante ni we wonsom dwumadie ye de braw efri juada babesi enra fiada nsama hodo akoso o my Ghana mu ye kabom na yetime nso ahwe ne yebisa se nsam no ano eden nsam no emu odu betimi ansom ye nyina ye nsom na ye mwa magana enkono ni anopai ye benya da agye ne ye di nkomo the index ahodo aba a drop Ghana yen press freedom they are but down way down to over more than 30 as a result of Ennin Hodwa SC my Ghana political pundits the media has started kasa ebisa so what has happened and what has changed anda nanado danko akofado DNS ntia me ababedu he na no pa benya daje na ya interrogate that situation Ilevia starting in Sembebri efrase Ghana for dodo no a miss feelings after Supreme Court shoot down the injunction application and commode kwakoto so by the minority individuals bia e womra sebedwam enano pay benyamre ne yebisa Ilevi impact being negative positive be na enya e so yebeto ebo ase ne yedi nkomo na fe so ya hwe the MPP Asante mantem no my Ghana mu abato a won eto ene ne ekoso nyina consensus ahodo a eba ene nsama ahodo a womakeka bomu anopai ebenya daje na yedi hu nkomo wo share all the issues ahodo a aba no a many individuals and ayuwonti e de eba on the chairmanship race the incumbent Bernard and Chibosi no a lot of campaigns so on the ground Nana Sarbidi ako mote exclusive interview and nano pay we giving you a replay Sanso and a Coca chairman Odeno Koku appear Manfo Jidi Sawono, one of the formidable team and a very strong competitor to Chairman Wuntumia and here and Yamabitimi Asisan. Oko down the various constituency elections Audwa Akoswa. There's a theory, say Chairman Wuntumi, suppose supporters do one at theater. What is the reality on the ground? Another pebinyamre na yenya the details of that near Timihu near Ekoso. Another chance why you benya daje ne ashe. Na me no kase cash intiadie. We told say Omato cash intiadie almost 30% and no na Ghana for bibisa say sisi ababi ayaba beduyi ahwe ya ka bo ne niama bibri besan akosro. The last time, first time in the history of the republic, inflation akosro this year over 19% and no at the niama bibri is sinitrasim as we speak. And cash into idea air costro nearma bonso besan babe costro no na Ghana for bibisa say edian and air costro na ye more journey on Facebook page and there was a serious accident ewo Pukwase interchanger just a cars mako bebro and kron and involved here and nipa over 30 and he we told some we involved we share video on our Facebook page ewo akuma 87.9 FM. The good news and it said ubia emu, but was very serious. The man for conditions was very critical. Usha police forecast I would say any yama I did ebaya on our Facebook page our Akuma 87.9 FM series of accidents and our ACC ewo a year na wachimu and our pay binyadaje na ye di hun kobo but enra one of the chilling, very chilling nkoma idea was about acid bath. Mrantie bi meme bi ede ekum womo eirenum ene womo fiance sahudo a wono womo ete. Some of the videos na very serious. O share niama hodo a ye share nipa be madasani o share acid ede egu ne girlfriend so oba woni na wo mienu. And the various account from Seshi Ekokusi and Crime. I'll share video on our Facebook page. One question penny na yebisa say e dey na si ayedu sam pempen so say emema echi nipa dasani wo ba wono natena ehwie acid e dey go on so very barbaric incidents ni nyina e concerns ahodo a enra ye interrogate ye na yedi ho nkomo wa join ye on Onua TV sanso na ye Facebook page akoma 87.9 FM sanso na yen social media awdo nyina no platforms awdo nyina no obetim do adwenkyere e de abrɛ dwumadie ye wonsom e free juada ebesi ene meme de nsam awdo akoso my Ghana nyina ye nyina kabom na wosom na waboa ema yetimi nso edi ho nkomo and be part of the discussion. Let us interrogate and pay ye benya da agene address the president na na do dan kwa akofo ado therefore one major issue edama kuma so ye me ya midi ho ya one question and say ye tikraimu closak akọ atiatua for almost more than 3 weeks me no ka say it's entered into the 3rd week aban entimi mpa no ne duabubre aban entimi mpa solution to the closak strike as we speak aban adwuma bebre ekofom as we are back returning to situation to normal. But MMDC's office just a baby because the assemblies are going to be yensa enkebi. Why? Because the disparities between Article 71 office holders, state-owned institutions, wamu sika state-owned enterprises, allowance hodwa wamo je, sika hodwa wamo eje, ne niyama hodwa wamo eje no edwa how eba. And when I am so as we speak, aban ontimi enya the morality the moral right entimi hwe na neutrality allowance man for say wa approve na edwa hawo nyina ede aba no pay yanko address the president on the gap between the ordinary Ghanaian and all year adwuma and of course and now me no ka say state owned enterprises sikapudu awomoja allowance awomoja article 71 of its holders why the government can correct that wrong netimi aboa Emma Ghana etimi so akọ efom anopay yanko ni address the president Mr. President.
Okay Ghana mayamo bia cheniamu akwaba emra akoma 87.9 FM mo amotwe on TV ni omunyina akwaba and now I do see addressing the president our near my here. One more joining and a presentation of New Year. Until Uma join me on TV, so on Facebook page, Akuma 87.9 FM.
I ask you.
And every question of my Ghana, I am penning for or down my Ghana, no. And now the don't talk of father, it is time. So, my who say, indeed, you are the commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces.
I ask you to be.
And you were a Kosua as a man. I'm a panini for by he made an attempt to intervene. And what this single span salary structure by the implementation ever a problem. And I pay out to me, you were more than almost thousands of Ghana for Amutifie, Amon Kwaduma, all in the name of said they are CROSAC members. CROSAC members, civil and local government workers association. Woman, it's not a pay. So, who call Aqua Lance and Wajuma? Or call any office, a Belgium beer assembly, a Belgium beer Ghana off because CROSAC for 2-3 weeks in here, Omun Kwajumada, Wama did holidays more than almost 1 week holidays, Omun Datsu Tifiena no pay. Added try of neutrality allowance, a bind woman trans I can say. A woman Tifia and Omu who are Bemun penning for political leaders. Sika womu gidi ya appointed obi so ya ban nipa Ghana ha apandan kwa be nipa no brakwa wo mo obi da one time pe no aba be political appointee ni amani sika ene
I ask
me ne wo ba be bia wani mo hu die ntia sa CROSAC members ankwa adwuma the seat. Why would government approve neutrality allowance among the government worker CROSAC Nino? Because the threat woman sign check, you know, and the political leaders. And woman say, I scratch your back, you scratch my back. Woman did as woman should be. So state-owned enterprises. I buy you a Kuahudwa, I buy Ankasa, say be our call Cocoa Board, Oko GMPC, Oko Gihawk, Oko I buy the state-owned companies. I don't know my Ghana more.
I ask you to be set.
And I will be a teacher. No, you're fan or no, Asante director, another director, one subtenant, the idea. Teacher, need be in Ghana or get 3,000 Ghana cedis as a salary.
I ask you to be citizens.
Nurse, Sikani, be a minimum average nurse at 2,300, 1,800.
Citizen.
Yeah, Ghana had you may be 300 Ghana cedis. Oko non-teaching staff for various Ghana education services. Security for me, cleaners, matrons, cooks near the other. Oblige 300 Ghana cedis. Our bay 300 Ghana cedis. Now, I'm a pay a devil who will show me on Facebook page. Now, young allowances. Another why you the salaries I am buying state-owned enterprises salaries. The chairperson at the Cocoa Board Nisika way back 3 years ago. Now you chair on salary CEO of Cocoa Board at just 75,100 Ghana cedis. Now this is it. Therefore on Facebook page and me bulletin be say salary of CEO of Cocoa Board no just 7 and it is almost 100 and something thousand. Now me pato tobuasio state-owned enterprises abendumako a minimum salary more than 3 times than the president of the republic any MPs.
I ask you
now directors are more 3 deputy directors. The audit to acquire take home salary I 42,420 million odd cedis.
I ask you to be
more than 30 eka. Napco for any Napco or just 700 Ghana cedis. It is divided by 4,000, 42,000.
I ask you to be
hundreds of people you make me Boka. Now, apart from the 3 deputies now here Boka, you hear me about allowances are who some paying for just 75,000, a minimum 48,000, 60,000 in the Keka.
I I ask you to be serious.
Governor at the Bank of Ghana.
Not
3 years ago. Way back 3 years ago, 2017, and now the Danko Kofado, Oba Ghana Konya Kesa, and these salaries have been reviewed. 10 years past, salary way. And that is the gross. Yet 10 watch as we make me asset way back. Now, no, Misika. Yamra Bank of Ghana, 89,990. 89,000.
I ask you to be serious.
And the last time a monument buy the president of the republic, the salary now just around 32,000. Yeah, president was taking around 25,000.
I ask you to be serious.
On only 89,000 or more than 3 times than the president of the republic.
Not spectator.
And these are the salaries. One would weigh your salaries. So therefore, you allowances and casa salaries. I
ask you to be serious.
At the Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA boss, 3 years ago, now about 88,102. 88,000. Deputy Director General, the Mass Social Security and National Insurance Snit, also the 76,000. Therefore, just watch it. Go Facebook page. And apparently, be so say, oh, any assembly be a winner worker. Because neutrality allowance. Why did government approve the neutrality allowance? Because I buy penny for who the sika kesia tela ebi moje na obi kono okokwaje 500 700 Ghana cedis na or sign check of 83,000 the man be. And that is why they will all compromise. Managing director of the Agricultural Development Bank, 68,707. Okotiti kenimwa 680 million. I know you titi kenim. CEO at the National Investment Bank, over 65,000. Akatria Wamojeno. After bulk oil storage and transportation company bulk stage Makona to Hona oil need to miliki gusano 62,000. Na more time oil refinery to maybe another cause one Bosome 56,000 and then Crown and number 82,000. Akuma Commercial Bank 55,000. South salary way was 3 years ago. Now Water River Authority VRA almost over 78,000. South salary is way now baby. Worker family allowances. South salary is way now baby. Now Shadia way. Say Nippon ko holiday. We holidays now we call holiday internal and external holidays to me your holiday bu ha see you need to say me call brochire akwa jimeni kakra
I ask you to be
entitled to not more than 6 persons. Any past 6 I ask no more I
ask you to be serious.
All corners not more than 3 rooms. What a project now, Speaker of Parliament, Babin, holidays, no, Dubai, or Kokosan, who are there, Miss Anya Mediano. Watch Nipa and Toraja Edineti. I'm going to give you allowances, and you are not more than 6. Success for the secretary, the bodyguards, and then the wife, any individual need now come home into make my Felipa from 1 hour up to 6. And halfway there will be allowance. Today, I ask you to exclusive or qua Sagana ha and answer or call baby aqua. All corners, Tenia Pau, and then I'll talk with them. You will dine hotel, first room, second room, third room. I ask you to be said Dabakum, Secretary Dabakum Bia, no to do about you see. Retirement package 12% of their gross salary. It is obiji 88,000. 12% of 88,000. We are calculating every month. We are times the number of years or the aye adwuma near the amano a retirement package a de mano tell I have 88,000 near the 12% of the 88,000 times every month of the 88 times the number of years or the aye adwuma near the scan of the amano
no spectators
na tell parting gift
akoma efe
or ko baby gift awodo ye bema no multi laptop any choice obamu a near the amano now for more than 2 years what trade you many more ubenya additional gift value not 50% of 1 month of your gross salary nti what trade you many more for 2 years bia 50% of gross salary no near the atamse near the amount and no 2 year bia remuneration ya de ema wo 12% times 88,000 ubenya is it 10,560 I ask you to be set years why adwuma I ask you to be set apart from that say what adwuma for more than 2 to 4 years ubenya additional gift every month gross no ya times near the amount say ebia why atna for 2 years near calculate near times near the amount. Apart from these allowances, I
ask you to be set
4 month end of service benefit for these state-owned managers. 4 months of your gross salary. Point of a day, you can't say benefit housing loan of 6,000, home enhancement loan 2,000.
I ask you to be set
$1,500 therefore say bia ene we are buying CEO na o call offend saying holiday o per diem utu kwan bia anya holiday o call any official engagement per diem $1,500 and the dollar rate 7.5 7.8 into 7.5 7.8 times 1,500 at is a scar per diem every day sika with the air no. That is what you are getting. Therefore, who joining on Facebook page? Are we getting you this now? Ubenya saying 11,250 per diem every day. Okodi 10 days every day. There's the money you get. O salary increment you 20%. Medical care for yere woma up to 25 years. Below 25 years. Mandatory full medical examination yearly abroad. As you do kwa brochire now every year be our entitled to one medical examination called your free medical care for children up to 21 years. Allowance for replacement of eye lenses when me was person ya crack every year you ma 1,000 Ghana cedis fastest our lens to go worker factory so na take for him space no but ask you to be space way enyame na meto every year be am 1,000 fastest our space. I ask you to be citizen. You have CEOs for no be a space. When you say a space because when you 1,000 allowance, this was done. I ask you now, to be citizen. Out of station allowance, not accommodation and meals to be provided. Inconveniences allowance 500 per day. So who took a free kind? Abe kumasi abe ye juma. You see inconveniences allowance. I ask you to be citizen. Abusafo. Yabema funeral grant any donation special allowance yadema household allowance utility subsidy responsibility allowance 1,500 per every month entertainment allowance 1,500 entertainment satellite TV connection on DSTV 500 every month na offend the 160 cedis unkwa de every month recharge DSTV 500 security guards 2 our per night any awia and the official vehicle loan executive saloon car driver yet ni nyina be ma we have vehicle maintenance allowance 1,000 per month clothing allowance 10,000 with suit fabrics abese inconvenience allowance 500 abusafo sa allowance we nyina ye sika ye de ma ba adwuma yefo. I ask you to be that citizen. Is the CEOs of state-owned enterprises.
Not spectators.
Apart from such salaries, yeah, Gina telling you, wait, allowance
FM.
Oko Facebook page, the question me be say, you were contract for the SWAT fear. Abai Emma Omum Koduma, all because Abai Ed Woman neutrality allowance car. Now, the Danko Fado. Idea we had the ho, and you want to start here. It's been there since Nkrumah Abraso. I asked the question and they say, we shall Ghana football on 7th of January 2017. I do say Kunyaso. I tell you, Muntia and Adu Danko Fado.
State coffers are not spoiled for the party that wins an election, but resources for the country's social and economic development. I shall protect the public purse by insisting on value for money in all transactions. Public service is just that, service and not an avenue for making money. Money is to be made in the private sector, not the public, and measures will be put in place to ensure this. We must create wealth and restore happiness to our nation. State coffers are not spoiled for the party that wins an election, but resources for the country's social and economic development. I shall protect the public purse by insisting on value for money in all transactions. Public service is just that, service and not an avenue for making money. Money is to be made in the private sector, not the public, and measures will be put in place to ensure this. We must create wealth and restore happiness to our nation. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, citizens. Not subject, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. I ask you to be citizens. I ask you to be citizens. I ask you to be citizens.
I say, I will protect the public purse. Nana, Sadia, I want that I do. No, not the buyer, and a payment cancer on Adiaba. But as a president, I will mark of Frasso. So you know, so you protect the public purse. In 2006, I
ask you to be
as 71 office holders, monthly allowances. Speaker of Parliament 2016, no 23,000 and over. 2017, Obaji 26,000. 2018, 28,000. 2019, 31,000. 2020. 2022 years ago, 35,000. Speaker of Parliament. Oba first deputy speaker. Now I have 22,000. 2016, 2017, 24,000. 2018 about 27,000. 2029 equal 30,000. 2020 equal 33,000. Second deputy speaker Eba Bedu near Ewo from so. And the member of Parliament 2016 now 19,000 and over. 2017 now 21,000. 2028 2018 now 23,000. 2019 now 25,000. 2020 now 28,000. The question and not pay you be say. Now you are protecting the public purse. Yet to crave neutrality allowance in my workers at your chance or money and are we protecting the public purse, Mr. President? A bread do say Ghana Obia and Obi Obia Pobi Oburu Kroma.
I ask you to be citizens.
We are not ready to committing and wow my Ghana. I know taxes by levy. Ye tutu levy na Ghana for any abreno. Sikano ye tiano na kwabrane to office no oje ne salary akese no odi.
I ask you to be citizens.
Niba na the salary ay 1,800. Na no plan e bitimi kam ni entua. Na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo as the president I will say you are protecting the public purse. Sa niema we ya wo ho before you came to power. Yes, but say ubabua na nko amam wetimi atwa so na be okra wi hia nana if ho Ghanaians are calling you this morning said protect the public purse sabo voice ni biema me nana de dan kwa akofado protecting the public purse
state coffers are not spoiled for the party that wins an election, but resources for the country's social and economic development. I shall protect the public purse by insisting on value for money in all transactions. Public service is just that, service and not an avenue for making money. Money is to be made in the private sector, not the public. And measures will be put in place to ensure this. We must create wealth and restore happiness to our nation. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, citizens, not spectators, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Not spectators, citizens, not spectators, citizens. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. 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 Citizens. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. Citizens.
Therefore, on Facebook page, this is what is happening. This is what is happening. Na oba na obehu bebi sase nti empelinfo we nyina agiwie na omo akwa approve neutrality allowance from Chief Justice, Supreme Court Justice, where are the various office holders. The MPs need the deputy speakers. Omo nyina therefore on Facebook page. Na ye bisa say into mind, are we growing? Ye discount na obi di to no. We discount good to him. This is it. Therefore, when you read Muzumina for her, this is what Ayesika your taxes are yajino. Kwabrani timiji wonon kwa de eburu nipa more than 30 there. Woni ben and yanyina aso mind. And the question is, and how did that kwako fodo? Say na ye wo adwumayefo a even when they want to be neutral, as ye gi allowance. Enya omo na ayo, you can never blame them because almost to office one omo heska kese ya mudi. I ask you to and ye nyina ye kaboma protect the public purse. They will never ever call for neutrality allowance. I ask you to be CEO ne. Ojai abadwuma oye no as a civil servant. Na obaye political appointee a. So obi a teacher ni oba be this year in less than 4 years and the man wa brodi egu say Ghana obi bia bona bra bona person be ya he want to move into politics because oba be CEO there after 4 years ni fie ka nyina tu abusua nyina everybody a person bigger political appointment and how did that kwakofado. Can you do this for at least people of Ghana? The Nkai was saying, "Yenya president to be obaya, or not the coming to protect the public purse, and indeed you protected the public purse. For now, the Ghana forecaster on say, now the Nakwako the public person says here to
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
No 2-4 kind. So be anyone what to about. Ediama akoto said a free year ni obi biara wo bi anto aba ma chairman sabonsu wo bi ato aba ediama wo nana de dan kwakofado. That is why we are always calling on you. So protecting the public purse, walk the talk. Ghana for
akuma
efe I am sad. Ilevia ye tuani ni ye tuani ye bisa se ebe kwa ko wie ye ka obi salary bombo somia ete say obi aye adwuma for the entire year. Me ba ko ye adwuma as a teacher after 42 years of service o Kofi na alawa ni retirement package 23,000 Ghana cedis. Obi 1 month salary bone be ni aye aso man ti difference ne so ntu na mo obi aye adwuma wo nyini yam because all ye adwuma no ye adwuma de am obi ote soro ho nti everybody is moving into politics and that is why for we tifia no pa no ukọ assembly ho wunya obi because neutrality allowance yan chefs kana ma omo they will never be neutral go mu hu di aban panimfo ni di ni sika wo mu di na o ma bisa sentie nyina ye adwuma ba ko anopai Mr. President, until you be done, we will never be done. And I pray, Yenti Otumfo. Otumfo, yeah, I am done.
What to Abama and Adudan Kweku for the Antro money per car won't be. 2 men were demand watch it be a move, Biara. It's a car who's a woman watch a chama will be anywhere did to me, man, no count. It's been no fit, nipper to every one I nimbra me new walk. I don't know near free fan number 77. And son, I was up my boy. Nana, a champion water tower over London. Yamino, Nana, Namnico Union Techinum. And son, I was a buyer. Mobabijina viewer. And says I bear net. What he had. I am a lawyer, no, me no, the Kunina. Any aqua bepimne. And now some crop catchers won't pass him. As one young Tumuka said, there be said him sitting at the Antissa, Mediaca Cran, say, Media Futupanam de Bemau. The Ghana 4 penny Juma, the penny I read, the penny Koso, and one everywhere. The trap bunny way, Bobo Sawari. Will be in a TV3 so I night we company for no Quadra Mahama or catchers are by the come near before Natoya. As I con another also catchers a come near before so no Banua, the come near before Bessa who own him there. They were driven Pesica review and he says a Kuhuna Jumani. A dean Kuana says a whoop. The Bell Diva Comusa and Passable Mampany by near friend and after that for Baba Yagan a year.
I told you.
Right up some for my watching my kwaba. Ahaya kuma 87.9 FM live on Unia TV. Baby I will be we address to the president, Mr. President address. And of course, Mamenka introduce ne yatoka shintiadim to we drive any na ebia o car. Baby I would could be we ordinary passenger car shintiadia no yatum. And now in the studio, welcome my panelists, you know, everything come one more share live on Onia TV. Team members are not pay and one more aiding come more fear. On I crowd Patrick Kwame Etia on your NDC communicator, Sanso and a Kesken, on also Kesken Ousu Puku or your communication. Team member for the New Patriotic Party, Nafi Simon Kwansa, on your PPP Asante Regional Chairman. But inform me and saying, you know, more ebedin komo and no pay, and so ewaha na yet me so enyamre ya discuss all the issues I would want yet me aboboso. But and me will good news kakra at the mount. When said the month of May, Mother's Day. Na idu me bia yama menom ye hoho a wo yama menom. Yeah, we adore them. Akuma 87.9 FM in partnership with TV3, Unia TV, Unia FM, and all our affiliates. Yeah, they posty mame. Would you post to mame? What I say? Promotion here, the air bustle. Now, what can mame post to mame? Ube mame, ube post to mame. One kasa, ube just selfie. And I saw my picture kekra no post to ewo akoma 87.9 FM tin ye pa hwe instruction na me de kire no post maame eti ubekọ akoma 87.9 FM ye Facebook page no post to maame umfoni o maame mfoni na o post to maame mfoni a na wa hashtag akoma post maame akoma post mame ni nyina bom. Now the top 10 photos are ebenya more likes man for be like you know e de beba Daily Graphic Mirror kuakra temu na odem na chese wono mame monim aba kuakra tama na se newspaper mu enti akoma post mame sa ubeko yem Facebook page akoma 87.9 FM me no woka say bit ma start wo de post to ma me na dodo a ebenya more likes ebenya more views e wo ho no na ye de waba the newspaper mu na ya ma won so why a guy you crab a woman newspaper muda nti best and the best ever opportunity ubeti me akoyen Instagram ubeti me post no Instagram at akuma 879 FM at akuma 879 FM akuma post maame mfoni promotional yede ebrewo and nti your media partners for this event TV3 on TV3news.com graphic communication womunyina eboyen ema yedi dwumadi ede abrew ya fast da maboafo a eboye enanopay na fe yemfri yenkomo twetwease JB ewo ha ye best start ne ya interrogate the media over the years nana redan kwa akofado under ne watch why are you dropping more than 30 position ewo ewiase nyina ranking efa out of 60 just say ya drop it to that effect. Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism school kasia eji adisuanfo na no pay amene wo kasa nti baby a wo Ghana ha bia utie me wo hwe me or live on Unia TV live on your Facebook page our Akoma 87.9 FM opese oba be centroni opese oba na oba be nim dia hodo our business administration hospitality management a 2-year program and a paper modding and for the Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism. It was short course with cosmetology and makeup. 6 months. Which means you are digital social media marketing. And no phone crown with me at the Biajuma. Now disca YouTube account. Now we say nanko for like you follow videos outdoor until you can make a huge sums of money. Bombarding na video and photography, radio and TV broadcast. Nina air courses I work Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism. School work Kumasi Kwadrasu Shumasi Rolex Samson Asante runabout a dine Kessia Tasty Queen Umuna Brosaya a one chair one Oxford and so Hubi. One baby a 2-year program of Oxford na kwenya word mama internship free national service and so a mandatory abakwa forms no 60 Ghana cedis na otimenya kwenya na waba Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism babadi ana kwa website www.oxfordinstitute.edu.gh work a bit map a drop a video ama yenia just www.oxfordinstitute.edu.gh akwanya word ma so bit ma wa download forms no number no 050 0504 234005 0504 234005 and 0244 724087 0244 724087 ubetimi adjoine Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism na wetimi nso enyanimdi ahodo ewo programs awe nyi ba bia wo Ghana nyina hostel facilities ewo ho a oba ubenya ba bi attanti mo amwo northern any of the 16 regions oba Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism ubetimi nya ba bi na wetimi ada akọ school program bi apese we bia no akwanya ho edema anopai yanko kwaji apum din hunim de Aja Abraham Atrasi Aja bibi aboko de
Nyankopɔ tum pa jona nso e
na me adom na me gusu hira me giri so ogusu nsu hira o
Nyankopɔ
ena ho ayefe
me de Awurade
se de asi atwa o dan kokui o baba na ya de wa just wa ball life
me das
afa ho pa kana ene na otwe ewie ebehwe ewo ya pom din mu sua hunu be ne yensia
me das tumfo Nyankopɔ nhyira na mechia onua FM ahwefo nyina ne Akoma FM atifo ene de ehwe ye enam yare no
okay
because see ema no ho efe se na woka no na brante nso ho efe nti obi ehu ade efa na okwa akopɛ de wu mahwe nti ama yare bebrebe ene eba se ne a boduma etare brebo ho na brebo de no saa na enam yare ahoro no etu asete ewo ye mai ni ye meme hu nse utie mi na ye bema bi ne sabi ono oba bi akodi empem agro na se wonye nam yare bi aba bi ehu aduro no we se oba ye Abraham aso ye nro ne de ye se chese ayese bema onsinsuo mu ansa na oham onum ane se yare na se ye de etu nse nam yare bi ne wanya ama obema mu hyehyew anase okotore na sabi ochimu a ensuo fita bi furu obema ne mu ba anase obema na fon
anase ensan bia begu be ma no ho edinti sabi uno be hye ya asie na ho aba anase sa yare ba ho a medinka kyerem se etimi ma osisi so eya wo ya etimi ma wo nan ene nsa eya na ayetitriti etimi ma wo to asintiri mu twetwe a enkrofo friends yatika no se yare sa yare ba ho no ampe do abos na didi aba wo chinkase no ndi waposo nyina timi ye no chinkase nyina ye o ya ai wo ni friend arthritis no so yare ya chiri na nkwa ba bia ho do ye ejabram aso ye ewo kumase ohwim anase enkran enkran estate junction ho sunya estate junction sunya Dr. Achreko na enkran so da koman abrewana na sport so onye nam yare bia na de chini ne nkwa ho nafa ebra medo no enchia da so mesi me de mawo na ankwa atenie bajusika mesi edo no enchia da so se onye nam yare bi na wodi achiri ne enko enchia da so wodi ba na ankwa medusika be mam enya enam yare no ko oyo ba na so onye nam yare ni bi na wodi achiri ne enko ama o menses emaye anase sebi waseke kawo ya na wo hyehyew se de meko anase rob asawo ama wonsu sisi ya oya ama ensuo bi gugu ama chese waposo nyina ya oya oboa no hyehyew unofo ase chese ontumi nya na hwe Mr. metumi sa from nuaba memu aduro ama sa hawo nyina afuro wo de nipo de atwa abramna mo emfie nsu ni emfie nwotwe emfie du o menses ma da me de aduro ma wa ache kraye bosome ene na wotwe ni sa menses na mba memu agye do ne ye medusika me ma enti ba bia wo de nam yare na chinia ko biara enko no agya bra metumi sa fro mesrawo mo amu TV no number no ku TV ni so mo amu tie radio ni so number ni 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 and our WhatsApp ni 0549 10 15 80 so mo amofa WhatsApp number na ayesa wo fra frustrate call Mr. Mempe atrotro and I say a voice note oboba me so me bo tie ni ma ansan me pa cha madin ka cheche mo say so onya nam yare bi na wan treat ni ya enema miensa wo ye bema e wo ma no say wo ye bema ebekum wo bema no kodwo to ebetime di dia me ya hye rubber as a prostate and I say awie kra na e do beto form sa na oba so ebetwa obra mnam no ebema wawo no chese emma kra na eja ho nam hyehye a obronu ya na mo friend many post no na so awie e what performance stroke it's all yare bia chini na nkwa ba bia eja Abraham say to anamo fabra ye won fidie akasie nyina wa scan ahuro nyina be ye na lab ahuro nyina be ni ahwehwe problem kro ye hu aduro papa na ye di ama wo enti emfa wo yare no how no mfa nko ba bia fabra eja Abraham asoye e wo kumase wo hwim enkan da akoman ena sunyan so estate junction number no amu TV no ena gus no Mr. se utie me na wo so onya unua ba bi anama bibia na sister bi enya enofo mu yare breast cancer wodi ye chiri ne nkwa ba bia jabra me si ewiase nyina enra man bi free kasoa wodi ne yiraba chese wodi ne ba 4 days pani enofo ni nyina twe chese adanse wonufo no de me si Ghana ha safi ye ka abasbo ye for breast cancer on e ka heba ne afa bia ma me de chese we no heba yas breast cancer mi tugu no enya asem ketwa nansia wo ma bi efri had is konongo oba me ha me si wono ne nemobu ana the same time wasa enya breast cancer chese no fo na ye den disabo me de do man no eni na otwe mienu ena ofre me wase no fo nyina ye mremre ena chese ma mi so ba me wono won so suofua won de ho kra ye kuro ma me na duro na ma kuro no nyina wu amensan de go prekisi ne nyina anane eti so wotie me na abuso ni bi enya breast cancer amane no fo na ye din anase dwo bia bedam anase atwedwa won motom amane nsan kra hono ye na ne mu kase ne ya abasa na amane bono agire tan me se wode ye chire ne nko de akwa doctor fo wo me se nie duro ye wo mpane ye mammogram ahowo he me to me nsafro me de do ma wa nansa per 3 days e se hu improvement na muntie ye me nkanjo se nansa ne ko sanse mpenfo kwase e duro bejewa e ya trema eti wonu aduro na me se nansa pe e se hu improvement wa hu improvement bia ka che me se jabram aduro na nye bejusika me de wade be ma wo eti breast cancer na wo de akiri na nda so nyansan me to me nsafro se febra kumasia wo hwim asuofo akwanso si wo hwim school junction wo na ka se wo ba ajabram ne clinic wo tie mo enkran so am si o si wo da koman abrewana na sport enimu wa ne frame number no se wo tie mo sunyan so am wo estate junction me ne Dr. Achreko edi enu hwe radio for monye number TV for the number no go TV ni so number ni 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 and our WhatsApp is 0549 10 15 80 maybe ni sana me ba o say diabetes esichire yare ya na bim say ampa esichire yare no ko no mabrof do na ma sugar na ba form ade be che na asa akosoro na me ejabram de me diabetes do na me di ma wo no me ntiti sugar na e wosoro no me ntiti pancreas essence of pancreas ni say no to produce insulin ma wa e di sugar na be ba form a ensan jambo say kumasa kwan na enye na kan toto amene mu no e be stable na da so yo na ekọ it me slow bra ye ma woduro siesie o pancreas no na pancreas ni nya dey emra form na no to produce insulin na ma wo na we jai me form bebrebe na wo no no na we jai insulin pani na wo sere ho no nsaw no beti wo nyina chese kra wo nya ba bi no wo me de do ni be ma wo na no to esakra woduane ni mu a wodi ni mu na etime siesie oni padua na mani padua no ayi adwuma sene anka ne netie ntime sew so nya sije yare bi na de akire enkwa brejabran wo ebe mu oduro ama aye anka ne no enye no nkora me wo ho oduro obi a wonya hepatitis B emrebo mu yare na wodi akire wodi doctor se obrebo no ahono anase ahihye nsuo ana atwipoa se de wodi roba aka gya no ana mo na dore se ne akokona dore abe na wodi e fabra be mu oduro da bia me ba me ka me se wa police pani baako ni nua okoye test a o tukwa okọ UK okoye se wonya hepatitis B ye ma ne nko odi ne ba me ho no ni fi wa atu odi ne ba me ho no se okọ check ye afiri ni mogem a wa bra me kopida ho na nsan de sunyan ba ko se afiri mo no so de kopina ko che se adanse enko fo de ba eti wonya hepatitis B na wodi akini nkwa edida so wonya nsan e ba se wonya ma jabra mo edi na woda so tini suyi sama wa poso yo ya me se wo banu ado votic mienu pe na ya na depend ba bia ya re didi ho ado na me di enno bi ka ho wono votic mienu ni nno na me di ma no ka ho akọchake obekọ na nimu biem enti ade na wotifie na wotum twa oni hwe ejabra ma aso ye ewo enkran da koman kumasi ohwim anase sunyan Esther Junction na beji se nu papa bi wodi yare dom biara onya wodi akini a enko fabra wo ye be ma wo so wutie me wo do brego fan club ana taria fan club me ba mi hu ma bi no mo so hu ya mi am se brego fan club ye mpe taria fan club ye mpe be ma otete tinta ye chi chese be ma na gwa ye betere me se bra me mo do na be ma magina se pemete se ekohamata ya what wodi apem do no nyina de me srawo wo so ye sebi oba ensuo bi gugu ama sabi waya se kwa na yekese ama nka bia ba ho me wo duro bia me se ye friend virginity odi siesie ho na wase wa ye fefefe de hwehwem kama na be ma bia ba wa waka ho na wa amansa anko enye kosan o ya baba ye bedi anko na wa baba betena me pa chaw gi number no ne tua na mo na fa bra ba bia me wo no number ne ye 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 and our WhatsApp is 0549 10 15 80 so sisi ya what you can say
eja yemfa no ntwam etwato
yo ene obi a sisi ya ne ya na wodi ya chine enko ne wonam dwa no anase ne to asintin twetwe no na aposo nyina ya ne ya o ye furu yare osa o de chini ya enko anase o de hepatitis B anase kire yare ana yare bi amabodi wa ha mr o de fabra se o be ma na anya adwuma bra me na o to nchia me de do ma na anko abajuska henia enko anase fibroid o de yare bi ebrenti yeti me boni nyina so enti na me de number ni to dwan se ma mo yare so me nka se jabra me ni ho do frame se wo ho do a me direct am wa ba me ni ho do na me ni obi a me kyerɛw enti je number no na me fa time na mo na mo nka ne ekoso e wo me mu nkyerɛ hwe obi sa wale a woje e betuma hwe obusunya mfie du masa abano ma hwe yan tubiom je number ni yanko number ni 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 and our WhatsApp is 0549 10 15 80 0549 10 15 80 ejabra maso e da biarada me adwuma kuma si mi wo ohwim school junction en kran so mi wo da koman ka se ope Aduanaba sport en sunyans mi wo Esther Junction free number no me ma direction oba Mr. Asante
Aropa nyame Israel
amen
Aja Abraham babisafo Aja Abraham na wote kan doctor bobade na ne nhia na kona soye na watimi nso enya opobuden Aropa yi ma yemfa seda ma yaboafo a eboa yen medika ka kro se pustu maame promotion ebro on this Mother's Day na wetimi so aposti wa ankasa o maame na aboa ma bibia timi akoso kama it just be with us na post o maame so and a top chocho me pacho another pay you need it top chocho chocolate spread and no bread no na so what spread in the kama uya na wenya top chocho 3 in 1 na wetimi so enjoy very delicious cocoa milk and sugar and yakabomo na eno ano no cocoa milk and sugar 3 in 1 you hear na unsuhye na chese utwa bobo shop bia waga na ha bia no top chocho just enter there now breakfast bibia we akra with me trebino ade no bread bia wudi bia no so benya top chocho chocolate spread na what ya for bread in na ayede na ayekama number is 0243033033 Kaskin happy belated birthday
Kofi Medase
Enra me push to where you be friends said do you know this guy and I'm saying he's a smart guy Madam we are cry now I know he's a smart guy now
me police was that same year those Sunday school anyway but now we saw do seek kwa kototo fi ada simon ya langard
okay
ade o man fa offering kototo fi
okay
o just say simon was that same year
sure but so far you go straight to the point your time no I delayed and I don't know so follow Mr. President address
I did
me are worried as a Ghanaian how are individuals did not the ordinary Ghanaian suffer. You go to the various local government ministries and as a closer members you have some worker or just 300 Ghana cedis, then you have other government workers so what you over 100,000 Ghana cedis. The disparities since independence 1992 Yintiminya president Bia Wakas, I'm taking the courage, I'm bridging the gap. Why should we so have closer going on strike over neutrality allowance? Because the see there Penifuni be ADD. What can we be done?
Kofi Medase, my main chair for you now. Make sure the no kwapia. Baby Ubia.
Oh
yeah. I can't technically say about 27th and the 7th. I got 20 days. Now,
but I think he's on the ground.
Yeah, he very
original. The buzz about him, the
very much
on Odeno Kokwapia. I will not be surprised he wins the regional.
I will be surprised if he loses. It's the other way around.
Oh, I see.
Yes,
you'll be surprised if he loses.
Okay. Because when you go for dim come from the various constituencies, the sentiments and for share
big, and I think the support is big.
For one thing I'm just say yeah, Odeno biggest strength, and he say what Timmy. I say I'll carry you here. Over here, Alan, you better about any means both sides happen.
Yes,
that was when they say you have unity to break the eight. So Asante region unity behind whoever becomes the flag bearer in Timine. So to assure Mama Kanina or do not position home. Say at least he's winning on his own merit. Obi o manner for integrity deficit, you know. That's what the Hutu will be.
Obi ansana.
Ansana.
Ba Odeno Kokwapia ya dear.
See, Kofi, communicators. And then we say about 95% of communicators are supporting them.
I see.
The reason is very simple. Who say no think of for? Who me for a catch say? Consensus of the civil people. Who come? Who can say me say? You guys never beton ni pano.
I see.
They never beton. Whoever reference becomes the leader.
After you Ghana ni yang. Na bravo.
Your my Ghana on issue now raising.
Akuma.
The disparity between controlling accountant general and the payroll. And now, Oma parastatals, state owned agencies, no. The figure no, the one thing I accounted for side way, in the work I may have paid you work. I think chapter 6, I mean, with my parastatal. A quiet fast so a buyer. Any Nema Esa Omoye, and the way of politics, a remuna. It explains to a very large extent some of these disparities.
Okay.
Kofi dedi kan abana bronikoko omayimu no omba Africa and other countries no never be ana omoye businesses ba kumienu miensa abo omo free independence by no. For example, Kwame Nkrumah, the first president, Ekas and I just said these smaller things you form umra and create a conglomerate.
Yeah.
Once somebody musano, it becomes a giant institution. For example, Cocoa Board. Creating Cocoa Board, for instance. Now there are several sectors and nipa na oti sa sector na no very huge.
Yeah.
It's any part when Chani Kaya didn't
very corrupt.
Those were some of the mindsets are equal.
But I said they are paying them, people are being corrupt.
Yeah, sure. Remember to that end.
Okay.
I did back a woman so and say those companies, because they have a profit making mindset, no, they are treated like private sector. On board and they decided on salaries to a very large extent.
And so the latest report, I mean, almost all the state-owned enterprises are running at a loss.
Exactly. If someone make profit, then get some issues. But where we be running at a loss, now you then people are going to raise issues.
Yeah.
What I say? It's I think they want to disconnect the world. There are things where you say what even goes into their salary, the build up. Those things, meaning what board consider as one making such decisions, and it's also governed by a law.
Yeah.
It's now okay, Mr. President. Oh, President will protect the public purse. On this one, no, Emrano Edaho, for instance, no. President is also Samrano.
Yes.
No, why Samrano query? Board no, be decided they make a decision. No, as you say, influence of me now. It's about the president. Also, the other case president all powers be brief. Yes, I am in the constitution. That president powers so. Yes, Anete. Assuming it's present powers so. Then it becomes difficult because a board who's a similar can cause what's happening. Me probably making it admit.
Kofi Mayor, Mr. President, Mr. Board.
So that's what I'm saying. I admit, the disparity is huge. But one other thing, so I research we are making Ghanaian professor be Florida. All my research be Ghana on the highways. About Prof Mills increase a year single spine. Police for salary by 100%. The reason I said police for the and not be a basis for taking bigger bribes. It's a set salary across to major bribe, you know. After what I'm so, you're not saying that you want to see a salary, Muslim. Uchika, no one else had. So that became a reason for asking for bigger bribes. And so, do baby, and yes, I salary, I shook a cannon amount of bribe. Kofi point and now, you know. Was salary so that rules and regulation said that whole ability to take bribes no anywhere. Every rational human being. Every take care rational I hope it's a Bible. That thing a bit me a bit my boy a idea. Some dictatization idea you pushing. A bit similar to corruption to a very large extent. For example, Simon and your contract no e-procurement say the payment is done electronically. So Simon LYS can be back to MD and BBA, it can be tracked.
And then give me a buying it by a craman for a give me Nimu cry breaky anything.
And all these things are able to happen. But I think once it is digital, no, it is easy for people to track for people to track some of these money.
My worry is that you and dig it. But for 3 good weeks.
Kofi, let me
all because of neutrality.
Kofi, let's deal with neutrality allowance. Offer a year the Constitution of Ghana. A child said we are public servants, and we are civil servants, so to speak. Well, you have to be neutral.
Yes,
you have to be apolitical. You are given anonymity. You owe security of office. That is what makes you a public officer. Just will be a say any anonymity allowance. May have every problem with the one signing a neutrality allowance. You can give them a professional allowance, something of a sort. But the name neutrality, what's not about the country say neutrality in drew 0.2. Over 0.5 deficit can be count. It was not.
But how can one be neutral? It's not possible.
Most of my local government. Obi only be some human resource manager or officer not district assembly.
Okay.
And upon them the closer organizer. The issue
were you neutral?
You could not. No.
You are
has never been neutral. What I say, as someone know want to say, the case we're making then was you know more teachers, or the public officers, or the amount of money, to be business for politics. By a quite 18.5. A man of some who quite about 20 macro with Jumim. A Jabea, Mumpa allowance be my yet the allowance be too much. I agree, they deserve it. One of the 2 teachers for local government workers are worse off.
7.9.
They are worse off. Nice. Teachers for salary square better than local government workers.
Really?
Yes. They are worse off. I agree. but a bit by professional allowance or something but because neutrality there hold the question marks or tena anonymity allowance beba or tena a political allowance beba na e kwana se bai eti me engineer Dr. Atuataya adwen was say name na that neutrality allowance no he agreed said they deserve the allowance but we change the dinner that no and he also made mention say the payment of the money will start from the fourth quarter of this year. What I say. So I expect some money or be engaged on this matter. Na entiasia ayajuma. Kwa ye po once they are home, omunko ejuma no. It affects abajuma ekos local government.
Now KMA was supposed to Mayor was supposed to give his first sessional address. Suspended because of
yeah, it kind of cry. It affects one way or the other. Menyana NC by see. But we need our leaders to also be proactive and fix this. As a government, me tie the opinion of that local government service and local here. In Atuata, I want to go with that. I make decisions so best start from the fourth quarter. Beyond that, I expect say empenyin for the leadership of Closac. Ebetna say. No on resolve this issue. No man who the woman the bit my the entimi and when in the medium term, short term, and the long term. Na say name neutrality allowance said that so no. Ye free so. No page so. Minya Smith, because also local government were plan officer. You're trying to free your mind. And what my politics one here, you good say local government for. Yeah, you're free no politics and one year. You're very free your mind. Because we are all politicians. Yeah. Maybe one of them is Minya Smith. Never said the boss any upon for you. You're a local government minister. Also, I was a boss and honorable Maxo Kofi Juma. But we need buy a Juma, you acquire politics. What I say, do not say a neutral, Jim Walawansa, and what we know you are joining. But for whatever reason, we share the sort of a mandate or more local government for war, any acquire fast affect on the time of meeting there and 10 Juma and so there. That thing say an allowance is due. Or they deserve it. Simply functional or more and resolve issue in 10 we shouldn't travel beyond maybe
Simon Kwansa PPP regional chairman. Mamintio.
Yeah, Kofi bema
Peja
Onia TV ahefo achi.
Ya Peja Koslo. Mamintio.
Ya ma Akoma FM so. I'm say full party na koso manager.
It was big.
Yeah.
Massive.
Duane ho asem de. Very important. When the dia unya hoden nti say mutimi organize bibisa na e ma no boa ma program no successful. I think we also have to thank you for that program. Na ye din chia kese so ama PPP etiefo nyina Chama Paloma o fin so
Akuma FM
yo Isa Baba Kompo ye ma omu nyina Salah because 30 days fasting enye easy. Bashir mo abo.
Okay, time no we can address them.
But then in some year can so able so no pay no. Maybe we should sit as a nation and then begin to reason for good leaders or good leadership. The entire mechanics are no the keskin new church mu ya or kana ono monya neutrality allowance and they should bring a different word and all that no. It doesn't come in. The entire mechanics it doesn't come in. It's a Mr. President address here on Wednesday now we share the differences CEOs as Ketua Omoji politicians at Article 71 now if we head down there now scam for from now and this are problems we never because you know my money a juma na me majuma me ye no me amaketua meje no enso me di na ba akofo aketua etimi etua nipa be 100 ka what me point na say ba akofo aketua no etimi tua nipa be 100 a na ono no or political appointee enti echina bi no masem nyina ne say na de na we koya juma abosumi ye man be 70,000 na me dey cry nduru be 2,000 and 3,000 then why don't I fight for that job or that fight for that position and now we teacher for bebrebe omo praise omo akoye politicians omo akoye MPs omo akoye DCs na ehun tokwa ne ho ade but at the end of the day no senki echiche ani ehye ani eyemra na ebibia yie kama atoto niema ni yie a ankenya ade antokwa ne mama mpene na one allowance we nyina. I keep on making a statement say wone wo yere ene wo ma wo fie
akuma
na
efe
omo ya we say waketua nyina anase usika wodi nyina 1000 na 1000 no ye the way kutua light bill ye the way tua water bill ye like this is the expenditure how it goes na nkola ne maame ni nyina ya we say ne nyina ye di say ne nyina ye na fie on tokwa ma ho because we read timi so na pa megina nkan cha say obaji 2000
abra onim de
onim say waketua ye 1000 and then
this oba na ni brade
mo
na ka ko pe bi ka
no so man ye opina oba re no
on dey be onim say waketua woji
ka ko pe bi
1000 na woni for ye nyina dey bia obetimi aka cha say nti ofefo yo obeka but she cannot demand it chichine chance fabra but o man we mu na ye wo no the political
format you use the obo this is can be
the political heads no am you say oh we can see and say the nam so I didn't send be by the levy sem by
yeah
your revenue ayeje for the year no and I say revenue ayeje e wo man ni mu nyina no endru say the figure is too small ye give so a you tua salaries need tua friends say salaries and services of loans
akuma efe
like yes anema kakra ni wi a sika na sa dia ka no developmental issues we cannot afford it into no like your taxes some of them until we have to increase our revenue ni abayin but at the end of the day you know what goes into that salary you know and then the problems near the eba because me ba be hwe say minua wa ha mini keskin tie say on buy me can happy birthday as more can Sunday school say me na me che no smartness no nenne many betina kwame na wakoye minister of finance and I say minister of agriculture or whatsoever
akuma
they be say me de fudie no na kwame koya many tie ya na kwame dan 100 wa tokas be 15 na me so be ne kwame ya na wa ha yina na ekọ
winnim na dosuom
yes
winnim na brabo tesebi kra na kwa abobra chen no
mo until within 3 years
na this
na kwame ya fie 10 na wa tokas 5 that's my maybe say and say
e de na wo
na edin na e wo a kwame timi yes ha de no nti akobasa na se memete se metimi gi bibi friend neutrality allowance and I say me book allowance and na me one allowance me de me kombe wo kra na magia
akuma efe
eti se obi de wo ka na wo kọ na nipa se oniska na so be kọ no no da wa so na air condition dem na odidi ame peche no onti ase
odidi ame peche aben kwan ne na yi trophy ne ya
asem na make I don't want to go into the terms and other things but I want to speak the ordinary language for people to understand so on my na team no we have leadership problem because the leaders are enjoying it is a who say o man say o man panyin say sika ni ho wo allowance na wo ka no ye miska intimi ntua ma it is not only these people where cross and for your moye ni o the I so almost say next quarter they are going to pay akuma one say in the next 2 months na got for starting na we so starting akufo do buy there has been a lot of workers going on strikes and other things adentia adena MPs in the open strikes adena ministers in the open strikes the political appointees no adena open kasa last week me ba e ka chere say this is I appointee omu yentua omuka
oh yeah
obo so bi akasa
dabi
adena omu kasa
omu kasa so scan bobo anu agu ha ma omu
because he can ye good it's ye born for 10 years kra na any sika wa okay nti won kasa he's a political appointee
he almost 160,000 180,000
Ovi
that is 18,000 maybe 25 26 there
nti imagine say oh this year na the 216,000 now we at you aka
26,000 there about
nti ebe is
for about 10 months into an car
on share that need problems
allowance be bre so assembly ho awoje if we na car ye ni bibia ama no
sa niema no ana ye ka say as good leadership no me dey have acquire na ha me be say the thing you can send on and that is why I've loved the man till now
Esther Champion was ye Kofi wo man me peche o Vienna Austria Esther
don't be me peche it's the thing you must be or can or say he rather become a president for one term and fix the constitution and the system and leave than to stay in it and let it be as it is. That is why the PPP is talking about constitutional review. Let's fix the constitution. Let's fix the systems. Because it is not about winning power and staying in power and still doing the same things that the former presidents or the former government have been doing. And another thing one way. Shaubo otu for us enyansa sam kan bia o ka kire no. Na zasem na o kan no. Ba ku bia de bia mti o ma me kan o se. Wo his kan fanya hwe. Je na ji udin. Ne enka se nana bai ana obema Ghana for ehun to wo mo. Nana ade obaya obaya ne so obaya free education wa ya wi sa afutu na tu for the man no the ofan wo man se na tu for kan nyina no na to odin no tia o se nana menkasa me dem ba be free education me ya wi ano because the only difference we have seen in this government is the free education. Apart from the free education, the only nyina ya the NDC for ya me two woman the same thing.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you the for fact.
Apart from free SHS.
That
is serious.
Oh no, digitalization yes me or more king. From Dr. Indium. Dr. Indium. Way back now, he public sector minister. Kufor time. And no set it that pace. And no way back now until they all try now that national Ghana cardi. Enye mahama na mustati we mu yes omo ye no mantimi no ana mahama so beso no so jagu ho ana we back enti is the process we ya wantimi anye ana we ba no beto so no it's not that it is your idea, it is your concept that you have brought. The new concept that they have brought and they have done is the free SHS. Edebebio o de Kofi asma me no kai ana kwan na ni interchanges no ye na bi o kwan na interchanges no ma ye no eno ne ade o ma ye foforo obi o ma mu a obi an yekaje ti awo be service ye kan say baller central market sana na yusu aye friend baller na keski mi boa o keje ti ana also be central market. What's the difference? Obi esi market so si market obi esi hospital omo ye range hospital ana also be agenda 111. So what's the difference? The difference is you are why more and you are less. Sa ya ye coin 10,000 I will be 5,000. So Tanyemano doesn't change the country. It doesn't. Say Tanyemano is a man there. And then give it to phobia be gina on here biskana amane say ne g 10,000 make sure say kwan we ya kwan na say was 2,000. Okay, you 10,000 mu 2,000 fire kwan no contractor no we be gina on here say we kwan no ya wi. Is that what we are paying leadership for? No. We are paying leadership
for us,
for be thinking, for us making
outside the box.
Yes, Kofi, that is where the point is. And sometimes we Mr. Ghana a program and panel say we come as in kwande amiti pa. Many jisa and say because you punch the lines. Say you are trying to speak against the government or the president, but it's not. You are telling them that adia na will be here now we see the same thing now we. Sometimes you go to infrastructure, Juma or more developments are among former government here or Jaguar. I think 2 weeks ago now about hospitals. Is it not the same thing? President Kofi time you be or more Mahama about Jaguar 1 year. I catch and say, hey, Kofi, Mahama, na kwa sign him affordable housing. Jani na go on. And who's about Jaguar? I the same thing. So I'm saying, say, what the MPP is doing, you know, they are not providing good leadership for us. And to get good leadership, you know, we need to review our constitution, reveal certain key things about our constitution. And on the PPP, yaka 5-point agenda, yaka but until say, you beko to that roots, no, as is a sani mano, Santo Coini sa de na de bia beba. Reason they say. Obi ntimi nkoje 10,000 right? Yeah, NDC time.
Yeah.
NDC time. Enra me ko fi use mi chini pa. Enra asenso frame re bia na me nenam no. Meka ho asem kakra bi. Hwe obi ka che me say, "Oh, NDC time was around filling stations in Kwan on BC." Filling station na government filling station. Eh o na politics no. And no many opportunities, no many ska, and no more this filling station. And the MPP were talking about those things. Now obi timi kwatra ba mu within 2 years no see filling stations by 3.5 4. Do you think say maybe ordinary person and maybe more friends say municipal assembly and district assembly, me so happy. I have to find a way to enrich myself.
I also get neutrality allowance.
Yes, I also get neutrality allowance.
That's how you be biased.
Sir, and at the end of the day, who they call into institutions, the universities, and the universities strike your mukoi, who's almost training time. Nigga, say, on tell on share, say, who a leader, president. Na unya sika no fom asese mrama asese no e favor ama wo adwuma no unya all the comfort na me de ketua bi na wo no tuama me awutua me de na me tena fie me ne obetwe manso for months. I will never do it. Enti basam nyina me kan say
yeah, wrap up on that.
Keskin kan sem bi e ho na me de besi o say the president has to change the laws. And honestly ya nto aba man fama the minister of labor
Dabi
ye to aba the president. Yeah. And if he has to change the law, he has to initiate the process. Say, the way you pay structure, any you get to yourself at the end corner. Me who say, enkoyi. It's that I tell you, you hearing in Abia and Rana, if you found one, yes, some Rano, set the pace. You say you are serious about it. Now, over the job, any treasure allowance, so there be the word is wrong. You should not do this, bring this one in. Now, near Triamomo, it's a treasure allowance in here. What channel will be so soraba, Mrs. Babaji, exercise allowance. It was near Triamomo because we did not have a working document, a plan as to how or no the end day, young canoe, because on one cost strike be if you do was here, but 2 months, no more than 40-60 amount here 4%. And very soon, teachers will also start. Ebasana yemwa or minor.
Okay.
And what we're saying is, if we voted for the president to show leadership, to think for the nation, I was say or set the pace. How do we do it? Nasa differences now will be 70,000, 60,000. No, will be 500, 200 a day. And any day system all the time.
Mama now say Aqua Johans or say or disagree with Keskin say. Or can say teacher for Akatua as and local government workers. Was a for pay slip of a teacher and that of an officer or what district assembly. Now be the difference. Allowances are what professional allowances or more, they don't have any of them. Until honorary teacher ni or headmaster cry or market
I did that when I was at Offensive North.
Okay.
And before Offensive North, before August 2016. Okay. So I'm quite masters for Canada no.
Okay.
And that me colleague and teacher ni Okumasi no Jimo change.
Depending on the rank. ABR now yeah.
That me in school the same time no remu. No Oji salary change.
But I said the teacher.
That's what I say from what I know.
Okay.
Now me na every Juma public service and they also change.
Okay. Me York or say I pity our country Ghana. And Ajimai David was say please greet the guy for me. Who is the guy? I think Simon was say ono na nete in Shayeso. Tafuisha is what also known as Tafuisha. Oh, okay. Esther Champon, so Sarah Hudio, Esther, and a Pengamin show. Patrick, maybe Abacodi.
Maza Kofi Janko Pado, Aja.
Usubre any affair.
Oh, my remude.
Opposition, our lives.
Oh, yeah. I saw okay. I didn't say.
Offer one pay.
I'm always in African West. So what's the difference?
I know.
I am Obiawon. On say we have to you pick how you want to.
Yeah.
Me, I am notified for this. Like Obi Onimi Bia and say I'm always in.
The fabrics is nice.
Yes, me sell cloth more than 95%.
Yeah.
Me the cover Bia. Every day I'm the cloth.
That's great.
That was the case. I never found. Nice. I am in my usual. African wear they are missing
mate
na mama nchia wankasa hotel job na me champion for kukuda mama ni o ma share hasi na Keskin birthday surprisingly the birthday no di ni said the opposition for your birthday na because power
wa anya
na the birthday na wa anya hwe dia da biom na person the birthday me opposition ni me the birthday na ma cake na obi our power usu the birthday no wan cake mu dia na just say you are in opposition in power what I say it's your man happy belated birthday na me chest in account am ni church and come am dey ya na nyina yi di na my own financial institution pen
okay
and so now your ma government workers loan
okay
now the chunk of omo e di loan ma omo no teachers na ebia nurses abeka ho but oba ye ho na wo hwe majority of nipa ye de bosia ma omo na
pelum pa je teachers and I know teacher for pe bosia je papa market so
omo salary no so ka ho bi ntina ma omo je bosia
okay
if you say Ghana high the average salary teacher for G is around 1,800 it be over the minimum 2,000 cedis. It depends number of years I already serve you or servicing. But on my year juma na chimpono 2,000 for very few among them normally 3,000 plus. And to find an average I find it be 2,000 cedis. And this
just around $200. Yeah, $200, $300. No.
Any what the call that less than $300.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yes, a month.
And
this teacher Nina or 20 million Ghana cedis and 2,000 Ghana cedis. Say, or pen once a mark automatic kit to a say, or no dear, or child dear or state experimental.
Yeah.
Or te kokofu anase or te kokobing. Into the be also on a pa or the matisino and a beba a year a juma. Let it be about 1 gallon pa.
Which is
50 Ghana cedis a month 1,500. Sa teacher ni no say abrabo ya eboy untimi ka say onware
yeah
udu unyini do stage bi na onware ya obi ehu wa ya na ware me kura me tia small boy ko post am na kwame na woche na kwame na
o kura tia small
boy you go for the kwame na woche
o ba be ware
o tia say o I know it is not a benchmark
okay
I think so obi a on the life plan watching. Oh, and when you do stage B, society expects you to marry. So you do stage B, society psychologically rejects you. The better truth, but that's how it is. And to our wow, Bakumi, you know me, and the chrome her say, Oba Soriano pa, now so go school. The average school, mean for the also,
yeah,
1 10 cities,
yeah.
And this all on crammy and son, now no pay 30 cities from cranny school or more qua.
Akuma efe
Kakobe 800 cedis. Today Sunday ni Saturday free. I know say around 800 cedis. Me did teacher ni salary ni na make no. Watofu o 1 gallon na make no. From Kokobing to state experimental. So upon us was say madam for Kesken et patase me kwa kwasra na 1 gallon nso. Just treat him zim. Wo kono aba. O man fa nchepe enso. Eno ye 1,500 Ghana cedis a month. Na enkra na ne mam yansa na wawo mo no 10 cedis na odem a mo kono and also so 30 cedis a day no average we use Sunday Saturday free ma 800 Ghana cedis a month so say ni pay na run negative mo because 2,000 cedis na o de 2,500 ato full or the mu 30 cedis a day a man kra na ko school we say o de ka negative 300 Ghana cedis say teacher ni kro na anwumre de no be di mai enen kra na aba no tama yesusa no masa Kofi say ye ko school a e ma me my skase em fan ko school no mo de kwense gu akire me kai pa ma me wase we o ba fato nkate enti awia o ba no ato nkate so boto bedu fia gale ni asi kire wo ho no ahono no adi ena nkra aba no mu ni gare ni asi kire o mu di indomie enti esa wo sa to indomie si o mo ho a o mo free school bo mbesa ba bedi ti sa kra bia di indomie
kra akokon ka ho mo
da je se no no de nema sa e de frafra o di indomie ba ko o de awia no to fa no 20 cedis enkra me ensa no you are spending 50 cedis and no kwasa na enwumre nkwa na say didi o o say ni pakro ya otu hui o ma me amajebu atukutuku boso me so a esa o say ne kakra ma na ado ada no say ne kwa yebesa to 11 o say pakro ya otu hui unim say abrabo no ekwa koduru say onamfo no ma ebia ne ma nhyada mfa ma omo ebia onu omu nya na esi so but enye no o ha obitimi frɛ o kwadwo ene de enya kura o send me 50 de me di kura ya asemo o to say o say na o say ni pakro ne tia
untimi nka dabi
ana uni mi ko bole na say o munta musa me 50 20
yes messages a odo e wo me for kire wa
20 oh masa mama ni mi nkomo what do nkomo mama ni mi nkomo oh what do nkomo
matches oh second job for matches no anko ye aduma that's one plan
keske what do nkomo mama ni mi misra o abusa for him anunti sa ni pakro no o ha no obi afrɛ o ja so say ni say asa wo no obi chate na obusan say how are you na to ka say a men so biem because o say one say to so pere na say ni I need some momu entu obusan say how are you na to ka say am okay ja utimi to ba ka say pe especially a man no men to so biem obusan say why na ja why say o ba be tia momu enti onamfo no ma be so to o mo 20 cedis o mo a o be so to o mo 50 cedis any ade no na no to so e be ka ho a mika say unwa bi awie school also na eba panyin nti akwa wie school yo mu nyina ehwe say obesoboto akwa na ko school and now oba wie school no ko SSA ene ma ototo nko na ye bedi hu nkomo ha 25 million 30 million ene ma ne nko a and so ya brante na wosisu na unwa keto ko school obetuma yiwani sa and then you need to support ebia also so start life o pesa o top pro to be and now pesa we see dem bi sa adwene ba trimu pay loan no teacher ni bia ni Ghana ha say ya obetimi ayi bet 5,000 Ghana cedis e dey ato ade wa bra onyu loan. It is the bitter story of Ghanaian teachers. Especially those at the basic level.
Hey, we are sure. 5,000 without loan.
Yes, now they say
Say a teacher cannot take 5,000 a month.
But some teachers are any more than.
You see, Krumha.
Join the same. The part time was I come. I'm saying we are teaching you open to exactly
teachers work out any of these.
No, I admit. Yes. So you be a talker. I'm saying
Uber. Please allow me to make my point. Allow me to make my point.
Yes, it's somehow true in a way. But the point is that Sir Uber car na teacher in Watono. So teacher was able to afford and buy Matisa. Now person will make it good, making life better. Then open Juma na obetim the Uber.
I know it's subjective analysis. But he's giving a normal life.
One job.
You see, when we are moving to make a teacher for you,
then you are practical.
So, what they are, we are to your modem. We are not teacher. Continue my submission. The point is one.
I think I'm just enjoying it.
Diplomatic propaganda no here.
Senior, and you be no talk out with Uber.
You are right.
You can't tell me say me want crowd school. Me so na pa me new site, me Kokobi new site, me Adjacent new site. Me den kra ne beba school enti me talk aketwa we matis we ya me den kra no de bia me kosu omo awia me pon adwuma masa ko form. What is aka na me de pa be ba ko school. Teachina me fa Uber.
Teachers be kra loan for 1,000 Ghana cedis even depending on your salary.
Oh, you see, na me because am I adwuma will be president no. Na I don't want to go specific. Obi wo ha otie wa onim say the customer no wa make say etua the mass market TV so my guy 500 cedis you know I'm telling you and I have evidence I can prove to you.
Teachers
500 cedis. You see one
200 cedis
500 cedis na original. Me ba Mr. Kwanza ubemu 500 cedis na original. Enye say no no pay o. We dey na affordability nyina. Ama na afford ko ada zero affordability teacher ni bia hotem bia atiase we din afford nyina ama ye di pay slip buy mpo no afford ne buy na sad negative because insurance fo bi ne bank fo bi nya ne enti emetom mpo no ma di card ti dada and set na point I'm making say currently teacher ni a otimi gina na 5,000 cedis for mono and office editor there na bia obi a support no financially
especially Maya no.
Because we pay okay. A man there. Oh, ja.
Teachers married there.
Because madam Fubi.
But in another situation,
mama say we need be that. And I dem no go travel be nam to no ana kwame.
Akuma efe.
Do them say entu ni pizza. Pizza dey near. What? To no crowd ni pizza. Me na say uncle phone ni na. Me na say uncle phone ni.
Who do that say you na for rent e wo Kumasi an. Rent for 2 years.
Me ba
10,000, 12,000.
And the
minimum 8,200.
Yes, you could tell what bia. Obi ewu aja mu bia mpoma bia tututu ni ada de 350, 400, 500. Mr. na no madam Fubi, o ma current 3 bedroom flat or Santa 1,000 cedis a month. O friend me phone so a o kan ya metiam 1,000 cedis a month. How? Enti how? No, you see.
Akuma efe.
Yes, enti sa teacher ni. I would do 2,000 cedis. O pese oye dey no tena wiase. And they say you complaining about salaries allow them to complain. And now o dey compare buy mu for now. And then say bobo you nyina politician. You nyina ya admit say salaries ankofo bi ju okroma say no. Eso no. And now unim dey amana pass and say ya peg no West African standard. CEO so nento o pay so no. O fa no West African standard say.
Okay.
So be a CEO of abia confanochia ni ahwe ne equivalent confanochi bi ewo other sister African countries what is the average pay omo de ya pay omo de tu omo ka akuma ba yan hwe Ghana for kofesim ne edutua enu tro omo pay eso no obi ya Bank of Ghana governor oji almost 1 billion bo so me ba ko pay obi ekoko board CEO oji almost 800 to 900 million bo so me ba ko pay enti eye sa standard na ya set no ena mo omo ji sa pay no so we can look at it as people say look say aho kira ba na ye nyina ye tiem so oman ni niska. These people should be able to sacrifice. Sankofo ya omo ji pay akese ebi mu ya mo omo cast team ya mo omo baby omo beda ebi omo sa allowances omo opportunities to all the goodies in life omo tu kwankwa brochire ye tu omo flight mo omo baby da so all the incentives are ewe adwuma ne ho no enti se ye te waketua so a you should be ready to accept that ewo these
are the figures. Some of the figures of this is as at 2017.
You see. So I think say as a country, this is a debate. They say Akuma FM no near TV. Any media general, modia ba you do nkwade bia be to master san. Just say you twi nipa adwensi so. The salaries are company for bi ju okrom ha say no. Eso. And I think say as I say onimu argument I know omo ye ne say obi a finance minister or discuss kraka we ho. Na say wo say yamani pay fee bia then you are akuma FM kanana ene ana engofo bi di make say the kind of money enipa ni hunu eni sika fa ne nsem no se ne de ya ba ne nsem so a then no obetumi awia the temptation is there say obetumi awia sika anase bibisa but as say ye nyina ya adwen say as oman ye pese ye kekere oman ne dia then as say ye nyina ye nyina ya sa hwebium na ye hwe say kwan a nipa bi gi pay akese unim se enkomo ya ye die ya fa teachers nko a all the public servant to na kase na teacher di bi gi pay sin no teacher for pay omo gi pay sin teacher for e kakra bi o agi se bi a Akuma FM teaching staffs no omo work school ho no so omo so de omo pay ba me hu na unim de etwa nso no there are some institutions in Ghana here omo pay ye
oh yeah
I've worked at Cocoa Board before. And Cocoa Board, cleaner no way office, me na account office, no 1,800. That was 2015.
I see.
And incentive for wo ya mo bosia ebia annually be say 10%. And ya de na say holiday no nko a woni allowance I attract. Holiday to us 2 days I no mu nyina ebosi. Because the obeje nko ate say obi pay. So I think say all these things we should have a real look. But you make matter your my fucking to your man. I say you make it say you expand the tax net. Next can be aba beka ho. And I say ya tima your new product e be exporting. I mean they buy nyeska because when nyeska na you see it here you spending more than 80% of our IGF due to salary. So no makam yati. Say ampa how do you pay other salaries? Say you spend 80% of your IGF at their salaries. Usu utumwa and teacher for your come say me they are getting to about 400,000. And with the 50 cities to teacher ni bia ketua ho. Look at how it is. And yes am ketua. So it's a very difficult decision.
Wrap up man.
For government to take. And me no siama Mr. Kwanse mo say opeso obam wabamu no. And say nyina as a country yenya a real look to some of these things.
Okay.
Na yahwe say yebetimi
medase absanfo yam fast da emma boafo binumu a eboaye na ye de wonsum djumadi ebro live on Onia TV, live on all our affiliate stations. The Eagle Wings Debt Recovery Company Limited. Sir obidoka na watwena wontua oye kasoro beko na benkwan befu a wabata ugurukuma wudi okoka ozo kire okafo didi a we dey fanama Eagle Wings baby a wo Ghana ha bia on be ba da sika na man we adwuma we company revenue mobilization man for sika no ma pocket bi no mudi into revenue collection na problem a Eagle Wings Debt Recovery Company Limited insurance wo adwuma wo ye no bia BBC MSA insurance claim ye de ma wa twen insurance wo kwa omuntua on be ba no ma ba gi bibia de amount credit recovery and advisory training services oni nyina omo yebi debt management won so de ka nipa no so tata wo ti fie ni dabi wetum de ama wo mo they would sit them down no man manage how o debt now we kana wo de no be si manage no ente in both sides nyama ko Eagle Wings Debt Recovery Company Limited why bitimi aboa your number is 0247 88 0153 0247 88 0153 and 0500 100420 0500 100420 ebeko so a na yada ye aboafo ase top chocho ekura yimu me pa top chocho chocolate spread for bi fa bread nim na winya top chocho 3 in 1 no a na wako anim ma me fan to do say Zoom Lion Ghana Limited disinfection and fumigation exercise Ghana for coronavirus ba ye nya Zoom Lion ki wi school sun sorry ya market door to door ni nyina omugu so eye a omo eka ye nti anope bomoden a na fuani echere Zoom Lion Ghana Limited na yensiesi waso ye emount me ba cho omo waste bins skip containers bin liners any trash bags any organic compost ni nyina omo tonton sa ne nyina bi ho o pese be do fie o ye convention ye wa wi o pese prepra ni nyina ye be ba be ye bibia kama the amount Zoom Lion ewo old factory behind China Mall ewo atunso ahensan mabode na free Zoom Lion 0208 630745 0208 630745 and 0501 507221 0501 507221 ya first day be Emma Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism school pomopon a eni eji addition for Oxford say men control say admission guso a ekoso baby a wo Ghana ha bia admission ekoso bra kwada so hwuma se Rolex na wetimi so enya o forms eto course Saudi degree and wo ye Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism omo eye 2-year journalism and media studies business administration hospitality management so and a short course to be cosmetology and makeup digital social media marketing sanso and a radio and TV broadcasting video and photography courses nyina Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism AUB akwanya awardman say na me no kasa obitimi do ani akiro oko website www.oxfordinstitute.edu.gh and say obitimi so aba na wa frempani for 0504 234005 0504 234005 and 0244 724087 me ba cho school no kwada so oshumasi Rolex ba Ghana ha ba bia wo bia no omo hostel facilities e wo ho a wo beba na wetimi so akọ school na wasua ade da bibia akoso kama e dia ma join Oxford na omo na wontimi nkoye e wo nwumasuamu kwanza
yes sir
I mean to you
na ya me won say misa ba ku mienu bi e ma me nu etua but the woman say asema oto no bo ase a wo kirikire mu na teacher ni akatua na ayi wo ba akatua we koye we a o kan tintintin ni nyina no the question is mienu pe na na do danko Kufa do ba 2016 as 17 ba yi ana sane ma we nyina ba na this is the problem of the country NDC MPP because Saturday we are working way back from 2010. There about basically no. The pay structure has been like this. San or modi betinemu Mahama betinemu for Tamils Mahama 8 years in Minano. These problems were there. They did not make any part. Oman check be a bepaswa. Your best structure no and I say be increase that pay structure. You know me so. Sisiano. Teacher ni get you say or they say can be problem say we didn't do anything about it. They were in government. Internet na do so ba na no so te ho ha or but you was why she ha no yo ne ha sa ma problem na ba na amanfo so a enye NDC for na ba be church asem ni mu say net say ana na wo the wo the 10 o ma akra 10 ana petrol beto ana onkoye uber ana onkoye it doesn't change anything because say am ha me e ka say this I think we're going to go to the next topic about e-levy issues. Okay, so Oba repeal that act no good, but has they said anything critically and emphatically say sisi an pay structure na I say and I say a comma teacher for and I say police for whatever institution no yes system I ba ye ba be yemi this is the argument PPP the BIA can say it is not about a coin, it is not about the school, it's not about the free no.
Okay.
The system of governance no na problem our my mu na ka no mu tire mu troba na wi no one better see was say and away woman 10 until this year ni boso me nso no kra no no deficit sa deficit no e na change for the care bi o say oman ni mu ye den a emu ye den dada enye ne na ebe ye because omu mienu nyina no mama ni ma ye den dada and they are enriching themselves. Cocoa board asema okay ya okase okoye adwuma was some years ago no that was 2015 asema no okay they are enjoying it and they saw it no NDC no one can she because they enjoyed it and then he's not working there anymore and now we can be pinin net also enjoy not teacher ni ordinary teacher ni none ho chire no and that is what we have to vote for, people that will bring policy to change the way we live, not the way we do roads, not the way we build schools, and that is PPP. And PPP talks about policies. We will not talk about building schools in a quine there because any man there may say from 1992 basic ne OBS school OBI a quine. It is our propaganda on Tionoma. I will not speak for the MPP anyway. But our propaganda on Tionoma pay what to the boss say Kofi and I'll talk 1 gallon. 1 gallon in Mahama time no. It was expensive than Kofi time. Say see as 1 gallon no. For the time it is expensive than Mahama time. So it's not the same problem now. But then no so send the man no money here my nyina and one say not accountability na ko she le for mo minim so my team no sika nim it is a sika nim a na me man panyin say na ye nyina hu sa MP ko ba yi wo ba ye no nyina na wa adwuma ho ye na katua nie na ayi ni a ye PPP aka che wo say even before somebody goes into public office no yen declare any assets. It is one policy we have been talking about. They can't fee yen declare any assets ni ehunu say the katua wo gini ni niema wo ni no wie adwuma no na say when you tama we can prove say akwa we were corrupt we sika but up to date sa MPP NDC they don't mind us on that. Enti yebesu and I declare what is the law binding those things? What is the law working like for those things? Open say you can on that we will discuss that issue. And you know it is not about scanning so no and the scanning so no or can you never be and or say this almost increases tax you increase taxes there you beat me out to market you any mama that's another way see here. And Kofi Misre say you can't say now let's be real and factual on the issue. Men can't say the asset the nena ye can na Akufo-Addo Obama or my idea to the extent that teacher didn't judge in 1,000 and so no. Mahama time no more attended and so the same problem now yet. Okay.
Kasken, you share John Dramani Mahama and the NDC's position on e-levy. They will repeal it. The Supreme Court issued to one any power or they a court to have sought interlocutory injunction. The atos was a balance as or more Edison etoso na e-levy anya Ghana ebe suffer an irreparable damage. Yen share the back and forth with this e-levy implementation baby ayaba bi do asomhan. I mean you.
Your meaning medas bill. Now just a very quick one.
And in fact on this topic you offer 5 minutes because you ever be real on press freedom.
Mejidi say a year cannot also the people you have to plan. Young men say it's difficult to live on one job. What I say, even the one we market in the car, they do multiple jobs. It makes seminary I say, oh, maybe says also be a department matis to a matis. Mister, who an avenue to use the matis to make more resources. It do maybe young share some of these options, it helps. My lady friend we are outside there come say hi or check government ekramafo oko na ekramafo owo fish coastal house around FM and all popcorn joints. What I say it's my teacher need there but the other things are what me out of entrepreneurial they know or you can't be born I think that is positive. You know be say but who visa in journalism kwa na o tell your farms the other things or catch you guys when you go na or no Patrick or farms or politics or side no bank also jagas obi nyɛ adwuma baako pɛ adwumbɔni on the 11 sense no kure wo mu ni sɛ o hwɛ economy no baabi a enyini kɔ ɛne baabi economy no kɔ na me my experience at the economists what I would say is there is no better time than to start a digital tax. See, because we share economy now. So but here the business sector a man on online increase by about 800%. You can't this digitization drive. I person you movie a name na digital. It's a movie a name na digital no. It also tells you say be now taxes are free no. A also be movie. It's a name movie towards the digital era. Now say one a tax regime within the digital approach. You lose out on taxes. And we are there back the whole. And see a ban upon everything. Needed to make a move. Some of them can make that because they said digitization drive as all Ghana no. And then even though the biggest push under this government, what just say is and then one said government goes on so again that tax element no. That thing so my person may clarify and say NDC and your colleagues be a lot of misinformation. And maybe you have to also do more education. But where people and full fear ketwebino. It's easy for information anchored on fear. It's easy to say no better travel faster than they better try to bear assume the fears no. Yes, who could deposit a better e-levy? Oh, transfer e-levy. Who could e-levy? But who could transfer the e-levy? And again, when the more here, pa, about the musica. Do you mean to say, who said dated the whole CCA? Nipa 40%, Ghana for 40%, including my major bigity. Omo transfers ka 100 cities. Now so pe omo within the lower brackets now. Say economic structure ka some communities kana. Omo fall within that 40% no. Omo so na aban edi KV adua to say wa mo exemption. It means say omo transfers ka kese no. Obi anu truck driver, taxi driver, where no central market. Those people will not be affected much. This tax to a very reasonable extent no. Targeted at also any middle class. And maybe opinion assembly also will be able to transfer 100 cities each and every day in a year. Never found to Patrick see teacher ni averagely or 1,800. Teacher ni or 1,800 no. On him transfer 100 cities each and every day. What's the can I say? But in a system, no teacher is not classified as to be a poor person. Even though the salary is not enough, but you can classify any panel as to be a poor person. You make what I say. If you transfer each and every day 100 cities, it means you are transferring 3,000 within a month. There will be there will be other things in my. It's people can say, well, to transfer 100 cities each and every day. Only upon the person wasn't wrong. Only say explanation no, and I may be amayi. That is what I'm say about Elevia. Some make cash can no bank, no account or eco bank. Now my number, my MTN number and the eco bank. Now, me say you say MTN number now no. Once I'm collecting my numbers with this registration yeah okwa bank so koye mobile bank na eje o number no. Me transfer scafin your bank accounts mu eba me keskin me mobile money number so a e-levy enka ho bi.
Yeah too.
Dabi.
Yeah too.
Kofi me say e-levy to me can say.
Yeah too.
Baba, Kofi make sure say yentil. Who read the acts now?
No, not the acts. No, the act is saying different than Nigeria. Implementation is saying different. Me have withdrawn money. Yeah, tell me. Kofi, me number I want me bank no, and one I me want.
Kofi, yes. Me see GRE. So almost share the initial implementation as a weekend no.
Qu'est-ce qui m'intéresse non? Si c'est no. The already any the why.
Yes. That's what I'm coming to. Exactly. That's what I'm coming to. Kofi,
that's we obi transaction away. Check it. Fabra form. No, Kakosro. That is.
No, I'm coming there.
No, this way. No.
Wait. Mobile money there. Whether from the bank to the mobile money. Bank. No, actually charges that out.
Yes, apart from charges, here T levy. Oh, Mate. No, they
let me can say
I would say yes
GRE for make the case say a year almost say in initial implementation no some wrong charges were also made, wrong deductions.
Yes.
And those people that they are taking steps to make sure
less than 100 citizens.
those people are not here,
yeah.
They are making sure say it is reimbursed.
And no exclusive issue.
Because I'm coming to it. But we did the act. Maybe if you say they don't want to tell any Act 1075, Section 2B, or say accounts owned by the same person. Transfer from the same person to another account owned by the same person.
In this case, now
by GRA by
that is why GRA say those wrong transfers will be reimbursed. Miss, you are still getting
wrong transfers.
You are still getting the point Worry. Yeah. They say, oh, we did policy now. No, we did a monetary policy next year. This is what it is saying. In those deductions, no. Say a base year, that's a wrongful deduction. I'm reading from the act, no. Simon, but you would be what's my mark here? Who the act now? Electronic Transfer Levy Act 2022, Act 1075, Section 2B, or say transfer between accounts, or say the levy imposed under Section 1 does not apply to a transfer between accounts owned by the same person. It's if in the bank accounts. Or is it owned by the same person?
For the purposes of the program and then for education,
yeah,
I'm doing my own now.
Mobile
money to my account, and I will show it to you. I'll do it right now.
Look, that's great. It's a mechanism. And now say, so all you have your accounts now acquire mobile money. You left and count. And a GRA and making the case say about my share with the implementation. About some wrongful charges be akoso. And they are taking steps to make sure wrongful charges now. All those people will be reimbursed. I expect say GRA this time na be ejuma. Because me am account am transfer free mu, akọ me am account so free mu. Then enya first year betimi. That's in some person can say no. Many a year million this CI on another station. Or make the point say also the I'm dealing with this notification thing. Meaning notification from EcoBank. Some be start implementing a year scanner on better no. But may transfer scanner once I call another person accounts money definitely e-levy applies. But a bank accounts media is a different thing because EcoBank banking, they still ask you, do you want to connect your number? What connect your number? Then they're able to synchronize it. But when this make a good point, or say no, make a case Gabesedu. Says I made the number now create and register my SIM card. You think the SIM card there? But in paper, in law, SIM card in there already. If you transfer card because our number now, so I think and say, oh, will be SIM card and I register number into your okay, no. Number no there. It's not even there apply. Apply the because say too. Also, I can't say registration. Or SIM card registration.
Now, you share Ghana Commercial Bank notification with the man.
Yeah.
Please be informed that effective 1st May 2022, 1.5 fee will be charged on the same electronic transfer as directed by the government of Ghana through the GRA. Now, this includes
fantastic good
same network wallet transfer.
Same network. That's a transfer MTN to MTN,
yes.
Commercial bank to commercial bank.
Wallet transfer from one network to another.
Commercial bank to EcoBank.
Yes, bank to bank to wallet transfer.
If you backless, say mobile money.
Yes.
Wallet
to bank transfer.
Say if mobile money, bank accounts.
Bank to bank transfer on a digital platform.
And the okay exemptions now say once a free work Kofi. Wow, bank accounts.
Yeah, charge you.
No.
Yeah, and charge you.
Can't charge me.
Okay.
I can give you the
truth. Pussy send it.
Once a free wow bank accounts, I register with who did. I charge you to number no. Echo mobile money number would register bank accounts. Okay. Yantil. That is what the law is saying.
Okay.
It don't tell me my owner. My accounts are like we are register. We are sure say we number no ID card and register. That is why we have this mobile money ID card registration go for be a dear politics here. If you want to build a system, I am a system in Juma. Kofi Adeba kwa mesa can say I'm buying his car. Nobody can lie about that. But I buy his car, I buy look at the sector ebuni or copy scale for you. All all sectors of the economy abra COVID by no nyanya from now the digital economy increase by 800%. E go fi we aban na so here sky na abekwa taxi. And then no obi so na here remember electronic transfers about from your critical access economy e don't perform. It is never true. It is never true. System be any 100% access economy. Cash e be the door system ni mu. But the security aspect and other things are even to protect the digital economy. So now on for your transactions online or the confidence. So musical will come no. You need to invest in that. No few so we the money now. So government will need money to make sure say system we our creating no interoperability near this no or make sure system no be safer for you now to transact. It's me the message. Asase but me that me can buy me say project do all this size can be no. Say me help people for more.
Thank you.
11 projects.
Thank you.
Then can go focus on 11 nearby no. Abebo Ghana.
Me da say mamintio minia
Akuma FM.
Ovi said minia keskin ani abra o chechi mu no. Me no one thing I man we mu sometimes you can nkosi baby antia na I stop arguing about it, especially when things become law. Sesi ana ye kase ye kasa ma de chekra na 11 ntimi nsa enye ho hwe ma nenye. Enti no what people need to understand they say me send this car mobi na me na charges ne be ya de bebre amamia I will not do it but the beka come nipa if it will not inconvenience me because it becomes a law now o baby ade be fa bia but then the issue of said ade no esi juma fa no now I've given myself about 2 weeks me policy no giving myself about 2 weeks to understand the system, to look at it well. Say who send this guy we call a better one now. We transaction way a better one now. We how does it work? Into the member by 1,000 and 2,000 be any trials or system nimu. The almost in area. I feel maybe I'm the music be funny because paying taxes is not an easy thing. It's not a friendly thing. That's so sorry as you. I'm any argument me the music customer tax because can omoji omudi and basa omo the full plane. Very jare. Into yes we first can just like that. We need to be smart because the edema on the crown and so now they are come obi no e dey akutu allowances in sika amomadi ni basa. Coming to it to support what my brother Keskin was saying, you know, I just did a transfer from my mobile money to my account.
Okay.
Number really paying, say yente. But I also heard somewhere say, Obi, I think that day in Accra, and I even met a teacher who had transferred 4,000. I was here at 46 cities or something. The bank can see it. The bank, he was talking about it and all that. Until I was careful. But for the purpose of education on this program, you know, I just did a 2,000 from my mobile money to my account, and I didn't pay anything.
Okay.
It is here. If you are to me, cry Ashe, just to confirm it.
Yeah.
And no say maybe there is an error somewhere in the system that they need to rectify, and that is the truth. But the point is that the Kenya say the digital economy are cost and I buy needs money, and the government has to go and tax the digital economy. No, say the bear or me aye and you more person or any infrastructure no. We don't have an issue with that because at the end of the day, no, we all have to pay taxes. But a coin now first I will get tax no. I want a problem no. Any man you know, obi any o man remua. What I say tax because the 20 day or mining to me so name a coin now first I will get tax no. Any the accountability the name I would scan no. And no na issue no. Because you know say I was see tax the or mining na you go so ye tua na mo gi scan na mo di nyafu ese ne basa e de ye ma bia enye worthy enough yen ga say enye worthy but it's not worthy enough ade bia 1 cedi na be ka che say 100 cedis na mo di scan basa e ma ye ne ye tua ya. And that is what we're talking about. Until it is not about sisi kasa ya pass or the Supreme Court and I ask abogui until enye adwuma. But to the key question that you asked us this morning, say Mahama say oba or when the NDC the new, that is what they are saying now, the new NDC, when the new NDC comes they are going to repeal that act and then abolish the e-levy. Are they going to do it or not? I think that's the main question we were asking. The point is that there's nothing wrong if they think that there's another way. If you tell me point there's another way I'm betting me add taxes no or my anymore a better than the e-levy and no don't betray e-levy anymore. So be it. Because yi levi ehun semai bubuja o man mu amanfo su kasa ho bebrebe perhaps bia na the opposition no nsem o mo chechire mu kira abonten so for no eno na amanfo esu say the captain person o chire mu no but then no, it's not almost always the same way as you they think because ade no me call the masala na me can say the telcos no mo de o makapo wo aba ya wo de wo so nkapo wo de wo chese bia no 1.5% ana wo de wo ji if you hit tables abeba out pictures near that year aba nyina na sika aban na ji no more over than what the telcos are taking and that is where the problem is because we started at the end and can fast start fear a lower note at least in probably 0.5 be cry and 0.7 bia okay then we start from there but only 175 now you can you know and about 1.5 and still I didn't assume because a better tackle a indirect tax into a very nyina and that is the issue into media mass nyina say at the end of the day no ye kasa e ma de chia it is a law now we have to pay and we will pay. We will manage not to pay, but we will still pay because every day send this can betia. Name mono se ma see obetuma na wo ntwam no. Hwe another point is that you remember say omoka chere Mahama Koye omoka chere say omba be friends health insurance one premium. They came to power and they couldn't do it. This NDC this MPP for so ba chere say Mahama cha what do you call it? Allowances, teaching and nurses allowances. The NDP bar, they will bring back the allowance. Almost buy and the allowance number, but they buy no should be two. Oh, and it may be one more. A third be one more. You find yet politics because you know say your tax and payments no or my so you say quite bene as politicians as leaders you bet me increase your tax net no but then if so we the bibiaba wono no buy ma de no you say oh yeah entokwa it doesn't necessarily mean say also the buy politics buy ya betwam masam na me kan meanu it doesn't necessarily mean say buy ya also buy betwam name no me condition is say if there is a better way of which there is PPP there are people who are working on the street carpenters. Do carpenters pay tax or my do masons pay tax? Artisans let's group it that way. Do they pay that taxes that teachers are paying? Apart from tax when they work they do not as an leadership finding the solution to take taxes from these people. And the debia indirect na ebeka obi ani ordinary nipa wo tua tax no ye be burden ni more no saa no mu nyina ye okay oh enti no so oba na so be repeal a anka enye boni name mumu no what system what new way are you bringing on board e dey beje saa taxes ni bio eno na wo se wo ka to attack this but see they try to be smart and tell you so ye buy ya ye be ye free on so that you will think that when the NDC come they will levy free again so one and so way but at the end of the day let them also tell us say this is how we would want to collect taxes in a different format not just say we move by almost say almost figures be say abolish nuisance taxes here abolish nyina and omode ko de wu abeso nipa kon we fin to say the no let's not think say Mahama say oba be ye free onti no wo be ya de bi papa bi ama name momu no sa na we mu ba ya almost nuisance taxes omo betumi ama list omo be bo uja regional communication director friends Kofi chin okra list no ana ye free na bola tax na kai ye ni nyina free o wie no ana di ko de wu abeso ye kon and it is not about say we be ye free ho but it's about how do you do something different from the ordinary.
Okay.
And that is the key question they have to answer.
We are member pa ese utuato. What said the say? Trona a member in phone edium putumani atiate. It was said the say ese utuato. Bego uti to wa bro ubetem. As a Ghana I say now utuato no be dito. In Germany because
akuma efe
mama chema di uba se wo chichi omaya eyetuo uba se omani eputua eyetuo uba se omani popra eyetuo but they are na Ghana for Aumetia, young patriot and the say, who bet your auto, no problem, at the office, no editor. What be it to and very funny be it to and Yama Aumeti.
Anyway, yeah, I mean, your Patrick.
Mother Kofi.
Yeah.
And come on, dear.
Akuma FM.
Sina kansa ekase efititi nyina a teacher for ho kire wo mo enye nne na wo market anso wo mo ekwa bisu na enukre na emu teacher ni na in 2016 na oje na ketua 1000 for start am na oje 1005 krampa na opese osi dan a na oto cement 28 Ghana cedis and cement ni 50 Ghana cedis
53 57
baby crowd almost 60 Ghana cedis. So o tenase na sa o de tons ani a no what ya say de ntia o tie mu ne hweduane a yedi
Akuma FM
yedi nkomo say ya ye ni nkomo say niam abo nkosoro ne mabo nkosoro but the speed as how niam akoso in the last 4 years e bin si Ghana ba kwase mu da yet Ghana ha afi ba ko pe petrol timi kosoro about 30 cedis a year o hu bi da if you say wani fie dia wo tena Ghana ha wo say afi ba ko pe petrol boat ma kosoro 30 Ghana cedis da 2020 year to aba na fu 21 Ghana cedis ene it is 50 Ghana cedis what will be that and this amount for complaining I don't compare them to NDC era and we were not saying this time near na e was so Ghana for no but we are Ghana na so pay you politics another kind of crash down ho this is the worst time ever in our history amamo bi enu aba Ghana abakwase mu a eya amamo born is na kufa da amamo we bi si da and the evidence na media ma no hweduane ani yedie anwa ne adade ane yeto na no anwa mi ko dwom say ayi kamofo ayi ya bayi na yesi yekope emo ni sugar bi ni ade ye bo emo bag ya na ehemu 5 yi na ebi ye 80 series ebi ye 1.2 your mama time and 2.5 300 Ghana cedis look at the difference and one near Tom you see I have said this time in now say and never body in never be jina but the rate as how I never ne kosro the percentages are increasing I want to who amamoni ko yi samuna na edidwale samuna bia na meto edidwale na say 450 pesos and now me ko 750 pesos senya sa mete I use akemo boni di achiro from 450 pesos to 750 pesos samuna yedi edware oh jai
samuna be
your friend Iris Spring
I see
what I say 750 me say dey no afi omo ye mi ko yi na ma no wie ya omo de ma me no me hwe sa 50 pesos ba ko pe
oh Iris Spring
Kofi yeah me boss me you free Canada ba Iris Spring in the you be free Canada ba me bi o bi say in the boss
take the person for what I said I said single one
20 people by the 80
senior me say me to an ba ku say 750 pesos supermarket 750 pesos ota masa eno na oba be interview me and so no mabuni dia cho say me opa ho so kwa kwara koto man to box and so please ba unim jai adena omo kasa na mti hedi o mata Kofi ade omo ye they are not helping o ma me 5 minutes but omo me charge
but we are also giving information
but we are on
Kofi unim say
intervention here too much you see you can put it down
when Keskin was talking about the enye na make no I did a transfer just to confirm what he was saying and amanye it's in the same way who can say na who can
because I do not have that but
I'm telling you say
me ko ya omo dey ade na me aka cha me say me no 14 cedis no I was shocked Number 3 me dey man na aka cha me say me no dey 14 cedis I was shocked
we are sending this here 5 cedis
I don't charge 750 pesos we are sending this Obi na send abra wo say 5 cedis. Obi na send abra wo say 5 cedis.
Iris Spring. Mumisanabo.
So 5 Ghana. No, 5 Ghana. No.
People are listening.
You see,
they want to come on radio.
Yeah, it's that. Make a transfer.
But information goes there must be accurate.
Yes, because this is market. I was shocked. Yeah, I was shocked. Say, 2 now get on say 14 cities. Me get on say oh yeah sure. What's it? So let me say the bank am do sit in your betcho. Make us ma what you say can. 2 guys say 14 Ghana cities. Oh. And I still am my no the open next week mba me sit in ever betcho. So leave me na me come asem. Some na this senior man. Na be a 1 cedi 20 pesos. E be a 1 cedi 80 pesos. And 4 cedis 5 cedis. So white. So now who this one to man penny no. So see I can't the current conditions are. Don't try remember try make can say the asem de monte Ghana has say. Because the nyama you to odwom. Obi o te Ghana have them say na ma bo kosoro. And the rate at how our cost would outrageous. Now, I 11% the NDC has been emphatic and NDC are consistent. So far as E-levy is concerned, we have been opposed to E-levy from day one and we have not changed our position. And think of because say, oh, Nankamoka say mobile reviewer. No. I didn't know from one, and then all my case Uber review. So our position has been consistent from day one and E-levy by till the end of President Mama and the NDC I pronounce it by between. Now argument on way and say, mo can say mobile one time premium. Mobile want man, mo can say mobile say mobile want man. You see, the answer to this they say, Obi no about Belma when implementing all the manifesto promises. President Kofi the Kaso besi habo Cape Coast almost. O ga so mo besi FM. Emergency.
He came back to
emergency.
It was a wrong promise.
Wrong promise. Emergency. Oh please, no dey emergency. Almost ombesi wo takrade. Almost. So enya no cry say assembly America manifesto mu bia wutimi. But adeba ko say no cry say.
Try to lie to the people.
I'm coming. Adeba ko no cry say Ghana ye politics na nyini. Oh, enyina ko do stage bia. Say assembly abeka bia no you hold you accountable for that. Can you imagine that President Kufuor the bar better na kwanya so na 1 year free education na. And got 2020 election can MPP gina bia wan. So a very critical decision like E-levy. Now be making pronouncement say about Obama. You cannot come to power and refuse. Ghanaians will hold you accountable for that.
One time.
It is some common now. MPP for dey efutogun go for ni say. And then this phone Oma can send me Omanian. Ampa almost what can send me Roman man. But this E-levy there, I say free education.
The same thing.
No, E-levy there, I say free education. You can't pronounce on E-levy. Ebegun ko phone man. No, my friend was Kwame. They say dey ya baby. I just say yeah dey sikasa boy asenema akonfo ko tata yes ah. Because who scanner o dey kono. So we send 200 cedi 300 cedi dey unhunu. But we send 10,000, 20,000. Now we for so ade na o dey kwakoto no benya. Now we dey kwakodi E-levy mu a. E na be ma what take decision say ahwa me say we want send 300 million. We say ye no ade na o kwakoto no dey ba o ba beton. We for so e da ade ne so. Any the E-levy fa o tifiri won fa so anu ma na ka ade no kwa wan fa na nkeye. So send the pana ye ni dis ankomo enu. Ono na o tie. No one say NDC am an option say saa de na egu adwuma no ye baba be ye firo so ambi before ne sam na omo kan de utia bonu wodo na sam ya ye party ye say manifesto na be your first promise the cancellation of E-levy ye be E-levy na free one because your position dey say there are other avenues are buying ebetimi dia pesca only dey enter E-levy na ye free wa enkan ye kra no E-levy omo budget 6.9 billion
akuma FM
baby an company sekese pay bank transactions. Say why finance kakra at least me finance I have a pass in finance integra finance as well me kebi say offer the build up on the to ho bank transactions and I can buy ni benya more than 50% of nufika from a home
maminya class okoje aman ye yakola a reporter wo fi ha okoje aman hello okoje aman.
Yeah, hello.
Okojama, now how much is the Irish Spring? Just the price, that's all.
I see, but the many actually more options.
Akuma FM.
No, the Irish Spring and a soup, no. Both 6 cities.
As a
5 city back on 1 city. 6 Ghana cities.
6 Ghana cities.
Exactly.
Bakusei.
But you.
Okay, I hear him. Thank you. So he could be right. No wrong. Also upset. So he could be right to get it. No, so he could be right to get it.
No,
yes,
50%.
Depending on area.
Baby, I want to
5 cities.
Money.
Higher 6 cities.
Baby, I also want 5 cities.
Who's Asqua a primary?
Yeah.
There is no way. And the beer in Kumasi, I'll be not dear. I no a bit my higher than Asqua.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm telling you. Look at it.
Do you tell you that?
Remote area, be a shop. Okay.
Oh, please, damn it. Me man girl needs car or some man. And I'm say then so no say why you swinging him you need 14 cities. Me tell anyone has 50 pesos. We are sure. I'm the 70. Oh, cast when I need 15 cities. You go just so go busa.
I say you.
And imagine me time I say all the time we become
wrap up.
Eluti enema bo ne de ekosoro. Ema mo wo yesa na wo she Ghana fo bufu. Na no wo ye na no me no ti we do bi so a ye keka say ya wo ya ma me bi say me bayi wan kan okura wo ya na makoma tete so ma me de ye your friend wo say bi na ko wo yesa na ma me no o ma na makoma tete ma me mentie ni biom se otu ankomo yi so a the point NDC making is a Ghana for a ilevie begu modjuma mobile money for a modjuma ekofom ma me for a mo dwene ho se musika mo de kokwan so anaka mo sende ma o mo amukọ anamakọ akọ eh na mo dwe ho se SK mu di cha mo ho akọ amakọfa akọ tata ma me na frɛ me na mo tete no and this amount option you see we are an opposition party the alternative Ghana upo 2024 this beba
okay
and so Ghana for options
say Arrow Spring 6 cities 50 pesos I was Asante Mampong
okay you see
on the run.
Yes.
I didn't buy it. That's what I use.
Okay.
On the run, one hour buesimu I because
yeah.
So why you say in school? There is a
mami chile.
My God.
Okay. NDC. A vote for the NDC is a cancellation of e-levy.
Okay. Mama, you share the last issue now. You met you from Rem. I think for just 1 minute. I will enjoy this. Pastor.
It is ye to a 2 year number 1. We to a kuma day a tour. We know be to a pet as ultimate to one good day for 2 Nampachos, oh, the tour, Hallelujah, or be the tour, no be to a you go for 2 more or be for you to 1 free for 2 and found good tour. See the middle canon, and if I can be papa can be say, or be it to okay, or be the tour, you had the 2 go for 2 let's say go for 2 more, you friend to TNA and to say what you to no be it to na you go for 2 more you go to and from the because a tour you need baby yeah the yard yes yeah preaching on the preaching yes See a preaching here. Yes,
Yes, enti wo Nyankopɔn kasema kyerɛ wo. Verses. Akatua. What akatua? Yɛnti ne yi toɔ. Ɛfiri sɛ menam kyerɛ Bible no. Wɛnti ne yi toɔ. Akoma ɛfɛ. Obi akatua yie. Yes. Megye mo toɔ. Yes. Ne matua mo ka yie. Yes. Akatua te sɛn. Read the Bible. Yɛnti ne yi toɔ. Deɛ yi toɔ deɛ. Ɛfiri sɛ ɔmo yɛ Nyankopɔn so. Yɛbɛyɛ atoɔ de abɛsom ɔman no. Mengensi toɔ. Megituo yetum. Oh yes. Ba ma dwen kyerem se agege to e de gu futuom. Yentua to. Mo bi nyi to no. Emfa ko di to. Wow, atoɔ no. Sɛ gu futuo no mu a. Wa hwɛ ni ye do bi kotua to se ekin. Obi kotua to se guy. Asem besi kan. One verses. Verse. Ɔsɛ nka sɛ enti mo bedua pi. Enti wan yanhwɛ ni ya. Ye ba gege to ni bebre. Mo ni kitua bi na beba. Kakra bi no man. Ade tie bi ade ɔgege to no. Wɔn fa to no nya de to yɛ den. Ɛyɛ. Na America no. Yes. Uchini na America na muye udo. Yes. Ya jiji tuwa ni ya tuwa ya ya tuwa ya. Ya di gudi ya babte babo. Wasi mudi ya pi. Ya di ya pi. Kitu ya bineba. Ya jiji ya umba ya tuwa ni fa. Mudidi. Ya tebo sefei. Wabi didi. Nesu mumi. Na keji ya insono. Wabi. Efi ya jine tuwa. Mufefe yintuma. Efe yintuma. Muhunya mushi. Muhunya yeshe ya ji wabi tuwa. Efrise. Efrise diya ntia. Openi ya padi. Openi ya padi ya tuwa no. Kufutua. Ya dia kufutua. Ya fiti ya tuwa mu. Fiti ya tuwa mu. Kasa futua no. Atuwa fiti ya. Yehe. Obi ya tuwa mi tuwa. Ngoni tuwa jije wa tuwa num. Ngoni ya kodi tuwa.
Akuma FM.
Amen. Na so far kasi ni
mame nka bibi kakra bi ka so fu yi. Asema imo deposit ni mame nka. Twi na mame nka ni mu ye odu. Ewo odu pa. Enso pa na oka. Efiri se oman ya etimu. Ye man panyufo no. Ye jeje to na. Omo de di to. Eti na ya bra no nyina. Omo de di to.
Ba Kofi ba there.
Of which the others enyina eto ni omo mienu o.
Ya uza emebina me ne yedwa zuba edim kwamsa opanyi bi obi kan asem so a na nipa ko opanyi no pema ohwe ne so ne kwasi asem bi bo am so bi wale program mo se ma pemo na le sem de kwani se omu no obi sika susa na mo kwa do obi sika no ebi to
mama
press freedom no no kwa omu ni se my reading report
and the president MPP election anyone you want to touch
my reading reports no but who as for much change indices around the assessments no and my country I think Netherlands some that 8 some better 28 the only name the new who happen only for the last 15-16 years protection of journalists and no Ghana at 62.5 so all these years as a sign next home as a sign now they almost as a sound indices are coming introduce you polarization of the media as explanation of money say politicians every radio stations no mo ko etimi obi aje na kosi ha e kwa na say yaka se we ne be kan no ye di ntwafa no na be kan o ja say obi on ma de kan fa no we say person paint the black ninti no ye be kan ho asema oh na we na ye say bo se fa ne ho oba MPP ni NDC a I think say we are all guilty of that.
Akuma FM.
You can count radio stations air politicians said they are Ekruma. And when did this juma no? E hold one my -30. Of Ghana -30. Next year not even a positive mark. About polarization now. Marks are no. No, say polarizer. No more be free o marks are positive name. You na -30. I know we can na Abama Ghana kwada 60 no. It is so share Asante agency we Kofi we are a journalist for instance reading him no maintain say obi akwa journalistic work am obi abo no what be
Akuma
in Asante region I think some has suffered that
that me say maintain be what be definitely you can point out every day Patrick moving from radio station to radio station moving from radio station to radio station Kwanza the same thing meaning Kwanza obiabo exactly and I'm sure the bia o share the way press online press am active say citizen journalism kwa be kan ho obia bi it's how do you even suppress journalists but I think some more try do so si bi so that polarization no it maybe wonder who to tell to see the same polarization and ma ita to honum so I think say it's an indices and ma o man bia say hey masa ba bia mo ko no in journalism. That is also a call to Ghana Journalists Association. Say to me, so what has been behind until say journalists be hold back cano. Omonkasa. Omo say I don't know. I'm part a political party affiliated media house, but omo say omo cano. Some to a very large extent, no. A go a year nipa be roofing, and I say media practice, no. But you keep quiet. 87. You sit on radio. No, be like so. We are going to deal with the judges. Journalists are you don't take it on, no. It is all attack on media. Barbara Cancer is like a media
reference to say individuals in political powers. It makes will deal with these journalists.
Exactly.
You have swallowed near the idea.
Exactly.
As you speak intimate, you will be
exactly.
These are worrying situations.
These are worrying situations.
Like Ghana.
That's exactly the point I'm making.
Come on,
but the other thing is when they say, Omo can now using some media platforms. The media outlets already cast answer now.
Okay.
And yeah, politically motivated media platforms. And I Ghana
my rapper because my time na so. I no pay you fast that. Say me be after send message you know Sir John Krum was go vi no for ye bie chasa for fie bie mu ne street mu a we fidie ne da ho saa wo so twam onam krunim na almost half of kronu 80 akoma f and pay better we no for ase mo dwen ye dwen mo ho so mo dwen ye ho maminti ominia kwansa
ye da we no for ase for that adwuma
and enyo no nkwa ba bia wa bia no pay mo bie mu ku ha mu tie ewo Unia TV sanso no akoma FM ye beda mo ase
adwuma mo bo na hane de anodin
na mene he
akoma FM ko so ana ayesa na on press issues here ye kan Unia kesken e me example he say any what the atia what the example
you are friends of the press
yo me say me Mr. President go be my Mr. President me buy no me be kan PPP ye niema e betimi aye e de aboa Ghana man enti wo Kofi a woni abre a wo chirechire mu Wednesday anopa Mr. President wanye we on say akwa we oh and na me kire wo say akoma efema wo kan na wo ye adwuma me ka say adwuma mo ye waboa de bia me ba me bona ba so Mr. President nko ade and the menjai impo yetu na adokra na say PPP e ba kwa na continue because na be boa ma oman no ye be hunu ba bia wo say de eko na ye Kenya o bisa Kumasi asem Asante region hasem no de Kumasi answer politically ni ye maybe a different oko other places are ntisa so enti baby issues no one problems ni one
ye we sit ye ni connect FM reporters ya bono manaso asi ya bono ye colleague police for abono manaso asi and nobody has been penalized with this
enti un say ya na
so asi abrante na so asi
de ya na me ya ne say wo nkabinu ya keskin ye ken on say wona mo aban de ekosuni then police for and answer the institution I was taking that matter on no or taking it on what my update what share the aban ya fa ho na mo de na ye say na a political one when na ye say na and what's the way forward because yet to Obama leaders say make sure say the system works correctly. If the system is not working and people are doing what they used to do, now we can some na say tia obi na say em running to me nya adwuma na yaku obi na ntimi hunu baby asem no esi ewa then what are the leaders for?
Mame announce me phone lines na men can to just mo share on TV any moment from 10 o'clock you free TV we still on a radio Facebook page and other Unia TV from 10 o'clock may take off. Now other TV stations, Papa B TV or .TV and other television stations will still be on. But the number now over Fred studio lines. Walker Mom projected studio lines. No mami 03-224-98035 03-224-98036 03-224-98037 and 0243-114497. We bet my friend why a part of the discussion. Mami to you. Wrap up, mami anyway.
Masaba me can say we voted for leadership to make good systems and good laws.
Okay.
And to say I'm sure I say me can be seen. It was just another and the Minister of Interior Omonte. And all the relevant institutions I was omo ye adwuma was asem no omo nteye omate but who is acting on it. And that is why when the SMI can mimic to me sorry preoccupation kujina court and catch them say I'm sure as na go sentino so the point is that those that we have voted for now money leaders are also running here juma they are not doing their job. And that is why they are saying that there is an what do you call it, an attack on the journalism. If you can all leaders no
Mother Kofi asama abane say abrofo bi abaye hwehwemu wa bibire mu hasen ana omo de abase Ghana ha ope ba bia nsentwofo ye tata omo na nsentwofo ye aban de ani esu omo sana se npa bi de omo ani esu omo so nsentwofo ho nton omo pa yakofom se de na ba bia ye da o wiase no akuma FM se nsentwofo tata omo asem we ye hia broni na abeka kire asem aje se broni bi fi ni krom na abeka kire Ghana fo. Yet Ghana have for the first time in our history, your boy journalists be too okunu. Besi ne ye yentimi kwampo emeki arrest. Oh, please. On say okasa mitimi ye di sa.
He was also short.
Mitimi ye di sa.
And so it's not first time.
Mitimi ye di sa, but omo se mekasa, omo mitimi ye di. Mumu enu no omo for first time. First time. Now listen to Manasseh Azure. Mama ntwa mamfo on the cover afford expedition issue by MPP for so mu den do group president Muhammad no mase chire ye ko he na nya tie asema okan and I know tama indices ba o say I have been doing journalism since Kufo, and in my view Akufo's era is the worst for journalists in Ghana. This is Manasseh Azure. Me the video bi asende o obetumi da to so mo bi ahwe akotena GTV o kase wono o publish a Ford expedition no nanadwo anadwo say bia ene no publish nanadwo na dota omane bo manata no communication minister e friend phone to say this issue is very sensitive, so when they say usura mayama police for emra me guide o and o ka chen say there be oyo okay and o can say because that time na environment ni clean but then now comedy soldier for and am video na say sit on TV. That was last 3 days on GTV. Manasseh Azure okofa for the expedition by ya man for the huro NDC tan throttle do mama so no. And now say sabre no or publish sa asem ne pa president mama hu wie yam na majo. Ana nata mane bo my friend say issue now wa odi aba bontin no party for ni bo hu no bi bu afu very sensitive. And so when say security enya me ma police for me guide u fie ana no e ka kire ne say oyo okay no ka sa asem tu ni nipa na o anytime ni buza ne say we are sure say sa asem na o kan no say yes me ka sa asem ni because that time na system ni munye hu say but na amadi so da for verse 10 am ma guide me
mama comment for her 0322498035 0322498036 0322498037 and 0243114497. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir, Hamza.
I'm the case of here. I didn't say that I want to call all of your trouble. And then I go on this new one time. And the question is, we are not on the service. We don't move what I was on. And 50%. That means that someone walk on. And the commercial, I don't know what to do. I need a 5 city. What could I be 8 city? If you are someone on this week, I wait to say, and someone and I go for the throne and not having fun, you know what to move.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Babu.
That's your whining.
I could hear what that's driver.
Mamintio.
Akuma FM.
And I be on the ball, my Ghana. You have a good. Since the NDC now, I bet you now, all your comparison, the calculation. You know. That was my uncle as you get by yourself. Oh, bring me a boo, a dear more, where we get area more.
Aye.
It was very serious. Now, make a get by yourself at someone, you bring no wow. And put several input to party, a boy, and say, just about one.
Okay, here being I'm ready dealing with it. Good morning, when you?
Hello, good morning, Kofi.
Yeah, when
We thought you meant some good nonsense.
Mamintio.
With our star, Kofi, we just somebody who coffee. Instead of Tamamud about me, Jumbo. Akuma FM. That's Samadinaba. And Namapuma. Kofi,
I'll say, Adema Moyan radio, education, more educating for. I'll say, Tia small the kind. We need this in this other casa and I didn't know Bibisadia, Mumbisa. I never hear you, the Sabian to go for and a year, you know. I'm saying this is one about you. A woman to say, oh, you do it to cut crana about attracting you. Now, so you want to say, oh, you withdraw attracting any year with you. And you wow, standing up and more than not done nothing.
Akuma FM.
Evidence of people beside the same. Everyone is maybe 8 years. Well, what's that? How let it a full manner? Keep it set down for sale. You're not done for sale.
Okay, that's all bad about it. Me time, sir. Good morning. Yeah. Yes, sir.
My channel by you.
Major so.
Aduanaba the American name about to make a good show. Now, make 2025 president, for Jack Christmas, is my channel. Let me show you so be now. That is not about my channel. All right, about the next time. Also, by the Mamma channel.
Akuma FM.
My man, then you'll be able to say 20 at the sister of mine. And I told him that you are my you. Now, me, 2 hours. That day I was trouble trader. 2 hours be a crew. If you are 2 another boy, I saw my own mind too. If I have the unit, they are certain center. Or no come here, they are using now. And Shabani Baba, now let me out for Papa, so they are coming second as that is Yano.
Okay, hello, good morning. When are you?
Yeah, Black Kofi, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Black Kofi, so good morning.
Mammy, too.
Mammy, that was it. Mammy, what you know, Mr. Sema,
Akuma FM.
Sema on your 2G, Sema, Baba Bois, I'm a Fatima, vote, Akofro. This is the first lap, the 8. Black Kofi, a fear, Asema Okano, and a all the day, but on and me, Erodo. And then, Black Kofi, ọmọ mú bá kò máa ti bẹ fanyọ máa náà sẹ ọmọ mú ẹran ní sọwọ fún mu ha lápò fi sẹ wọ́n tún social for ẹgbẹ́ mu a the last month wọ́n máa bọ̀ ó lè compare this month a ẹ̀bùn ọ̀nù àkọ́so ẹ̀fọ́ the following month wọ́n máa ń bẹ́tẹ̀ àkọ́so ẹ̀ bá sẹ́ na good business bebree ẹ̀ máa nyọ́ máa ntọ́fẹ́síkà ẹ̀ ṣe.
Okay, I need to wrap up the course. Good morning.
Good morning, Asante.
Pacho Honey.
But your friend, I couldn't
Me too.
Many of the Paso, the Vicar, the Madame, and work from anywhere, one of the city, I mean, the Billy National Organizer. Now, Sama 1, Monaco, Minchana, Bassa Modio, and everything that's a big deal. Many of the person to the car mechanism. The enemy empty broken. The can say, I don't want to take Hannah, and I said, so far. Dana for the Munqua, the movie, and I don't think I need to go better. Kajemu ya kwanza mbe kanu kwa chemu president say as from for me so mbe kanu kwa chemu
Akuma
the mbe jogu jemu kwa ni hemu.
Okay, hello, good morning. When you? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Pacho Hoini.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Pacho Wana Mene Kase.
Pacho me kase free so. Ya frame Jacob Isaka.
Mami ntio.
Na kakam za chime kana se me politician but no play Ghana hano ya pese kano kre. And it say before now ya na wo mo ba be don ma still. Wo mo da so
Akuma FM.
Okay, yeah, sorry, we're line on my good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, morning.
Pacho Frefe.
I'm that is the Casafi the funny
What is that free? Mami too.
Yeah, how I can say, oh, that's important. Yeah, so, Dr. Chua. Yeah, okay, by your point, you come back to the moon family. I'm going to show you.
Okay, Medasi, we'll deal with that. Good morning.
Akuma FM.
Yes, sir. Pacho Hoini.
Kofi,
Mami too.
Kofi, the American is a middle Asante in Central Colonial. Now, the American is your best friend, another than Kufado. Freddy, a Bena no pay or bond for 2 and 12 man. Yes, you know, catch you. and they come market and never buy do Kofi the best say Mr. President all I want to see my son family.
Thank you very much. Abusa for hand dia frɛ phone nyina besi. Kesken anope ye beda mase. Minia Kwanza anope we are more than grateful. Sanso and Patrick Etwa. And the tiefo amunya adaje hwɛ ye
Starry Spring.
Starry Spring. Mo amunya adaje hwɛ ye from Onia TV. Mo hwɛ ye on our Facebook page. Production team has been Nana Sensumensa. JB Sanso and Obibini Akohene Nami Obolo Walker and a Facebook page at my Unia TV the Bacho MCR 4 team Nina Uncle Ray and the entire team members I'm want to pay Radi Ishramo and my idea say Yugusua Edwin or my Ghana home until we meet again the mekan say Radimo don't do what your heart and also Akuma and shall so be and pro when you be please you be na brabo na obo no you be na obama no edamu nyina ase nyame adma ebesan so ahia odubini akwene ede ebibi nsroma ebro the best reggae program kese pa ya hihye wa Asante mantem edebro from now to say premo ebeto post maame posti o maame mfoni pacho posti maame di ohia ne se obe posti mama ewo eye social media akoma 87.9 FM. The Benya likes the dono. End of May. It never bought Daily Graphic, The Mirror, and all the TV platforms. Near who Sampawo and Wama me. Aye kama. I leave you with the task.
Shout out to Samukra Tax.